Yo, 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 welcome to was it 23 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, we've got some good stuff brewing in the pot today. This time, in part 23, we're going to be doing leaderboards. Yeah, that should be cool. We're going to do some leaderboard UI for our Yippee mobile game. Yeah, I forgot what we did in the last stream. I think it was something with like range projectiles. What was part 22? I'm gonna actually check. Yeah, because we've got some stuff going. Oh yeah. We did pausing and game over in the last stream. Yeah, so that's pretty much done, and we've got leaderboards to go on. Yeah, so let's do that. That should be pretty cool. Yeah. And so, um, let's swap over. Yeah, so here's back in our app. Yeah, there was some bugs at the end of last stream with so last stream we did like game over and pausing. That was kind of like the last two streams, but there was a bug with like restarting the game. But I fixed it off stream, and I'll kind of show the fix. But so basically, there was a bug when you hit the pause button here, and you hit restart. It would like make some of the buttons grow like pretty ginormous. And actually, there was also another bug with this where like some of the ground wouldn't spawn. But yeah, we fixed all of this off stream. Yeah, and let me show what that kind of looks like. So the buttons were getting big because of in this create buttons here. So this function gets called after every time you restart the game. So that would be like it was getting called here, which is like initialize game. This gets called every time you start the game again. And so what was happening was if I go down here, yeah, this is like aspect field to size. Normally what that does is it like scales the button to the right size to fit the screen. But since it was getting called again, it was actually scaling it again when you start the game again. So that's why it was doing that. So I just moved this code over to like not even before initialize game gets called, like right when the scene gets created. So that's literally only called once. Yeah, not too many off-stream changes. Yeah, what else did I do? So that was one bug. Yeah, I think that was pretty much it. Oh, I also made some text, some new text. You'll see there's like stats here now. Yeah, I made these assets off stream too. So we've got stats text. We've got like the shop was already there, but we've got maybe I should show the new ones. There's leaderboard. There's that. And then I think there's also game over text. Yeah, so I made these off stream so that we can use them for our new views that we're going to make. We're going to use this leaderboard one today. But yeah, I guess another change I made off stream was this game over text. So before it was just like kind of some yellow text, but now we've got it to be kind of like a nice little image text. So I think it looks a bit nicer. Yeah. So let's do a little game over and kind of show what that looks like. We'll have to sacrifice ourselves for the greater good. Yeah. This little Yippee will shoot me with the arrow. Yeah, you see now it's like it says game over. And it's in big jumbo text. Yeah, it looks pretty nice because it used to be kind of like just like yellow text without the kind of 3D effect that it has now. Yeah, I think it looks a little better this way. But yeah, so that's done. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't expect this. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got Jumbo Yippee. He's got the sword bitten down in his mouth. Oh yeah, let's see if I can attack him. Oh, it's like Attack on Titan Yippee. Oh my goodness, okay. Yeah, I did not anticipate this. Oh my gosh, Attack on Titan, ginormous Yippee. What are we gonna do? It's Godzilla Yippee. Oh my goodness, okay. Yeah, so I remember when I said there was a bug with the scaling. So I guess I fixed that for the buttons, but not not for the player. Interesting. This is the first time I'm seeing this. I guess it doesn't happen every time. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we gotta look at what's going on there. Maybe I should fix that first before starting the leaderboard. I also noticed that the little points label at the top, like where the 0 is in the middle, it looks like it also created that twice. Yeah, so I don't want to do that. So I think I can fix the point label thing. Let's see, what do we want to do then? How about, so if I restart the game, it should call this initialize game, cleanup scene. Yeah, let's make sure that's only getting, the points label is only getting created once. So what I'll do is, well, I guess maybe because it's adding it to the camera. Yeah, let me go to my cleanup scene. My cleanup scene function. Yes. So ideally this should kind of remove all the things from the screen when the game is restarted. But looks like some things, like the points label, I think, isn't getting removed. What could cause that? Let's take a little gander. Actually, what I can do is I can just call this once. I think that might work better. Yeah, this create points label, we'll just call it once to make sure that it doesn't get like double added. Same for the Ruby label, actually. Yeah. Yeah. So here's what I'll do. I'll put that under where like I created the buttons. Hopefully that fixes that. Yeah, the worry I have though is that they'll kind of get like permanently removed after the game is restarted. So let's see. Oh no, wait, actually, it looks like that's fine. Yeah, I thought it would get like removed. I guess not, because it's part of the camera. Yeah. Oh yeah, also there's some lag when I get hit by a projectile. I'll have to see what's causing that. But I have an idea. I think it's like trying to do multiple collisions at once. Yeah, okay, so it fixed the bug with the points label, but we've still got this Godzilla Yippee. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we've got to fix the things. Yeah, he's like biting the sword. You know what this reminds me of? Oh, I'm gonna show an image of this. It reminds me of a certain Pokemon. Yeah, let me show this actually, because there's a Pokemon that's like a doggo, and he also bites down on a sword. Yeah, let me show this. Look at this. It's Zacian. Oh my gosh. The resemblance is uncanny. How's that? That is quite uncanny, I must say. The Yippee is Zacian. Yes, that is right. Oh yeah. Yeah, what a weird bug. I'm pretty sure I know what's causing it though. It's doing the scaling thing like it did to the buttons. So we gotta make sure it doesn't do it twice. So it's like when I create the player. Yeah. Yeah, this aspect filter size, it's double scaling our object. Yeah, we don't want to do that. So what should I do then? Because I kind of want to call this anyway. Oh, and then it'll also scale it again here. Yeah, okay. Probably... what I can do is maybe I can set the size to like 0 right when the game... Actually, I could do that here. Like player.yippee node dot size equals dot 0. And then it should scale it appropriately here. Yeah, that way it's not like double scaling. Yeah, that should fix it. Let's see. Or wait, actually no. Because this, I think, multiplies the size. So if it's 0, it'll go to 0. Yeah, maybe actually we don't want to do this. So how should I go about this? Let me think. Because I could try and just call this once. I think that might work better. But I'll just have to reset all the player values. Yeah, I'll just do create player once. But we'll just reset all the player values when the game starts again, like here. So player dot yippee node position equals whatever position we had here. Yep. So we'll do that. And then what else? So we've got the physics body. I don't know if I need to re-add this. I might. I basically just need to call this whole thing again, but without this function. And possibly this. So maybe I want to do these like separately? Yeah, I could do that. I think so. Ah, you know what? I'll do that. So I'll say... Well... I'm just thinking... What would be a good time to call this? How about... Because I also want this to be set to false also. Yeah, I pretty much want all the functionality of this function. Minus like this. If the game is restarted. Yeah. Yeah. I could make a variable? Like, is game restarted? Ah, but then I have to keep track of that. Like, update it and stuff. But that would help with this. It would indeed. Thinking emoji. What would be the optimal way to do this? I don't think I should create the player twice. I think this is probably the better way to go about it. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just... Yeah, I'll just do this. I will create a function. I'll say like, set player, size and scale. And we'll do the thing. So we'll just take this out and put it here. Yeah. That should work better. Yeah, there we go. Now I can kind of recall this function every time. Or actually, no, we can... Wait, now I'm thinking again. So... If we call this... okay, yeah, so we call this every time the game is restarted. And we call this once. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So maybe I should call this better, like, I think create players probably makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. So now I can do this. I can say, I can keep the create player here, right? And then here I can just say set player size and scale. There we go. Yeah, now let's see if we get the little colossal Yippee again. Or not. Oh, but now he's in the ground. Uh-oh. A most unexpected outcome. We've got subterranean Yippee, who's also immune to being hit. Oh, wait, now I'm like cheating. Oh my gosh. This is the best way to play the game, just cheat. Okay, yeah, we gotta see what's going on here. We've got little mole Yippee now. Okay. Yeah, let's see what's going on. So we've gotta probably not do the code change that we did. We gotta like not do the thing that breaks the thing. We gotta do the thing that fixes. Yeah. So let's see. What should we do? I think I'm gonna probably... let's see. So I have this new function I made. Okay, well, let me kind of show what was the bug that was happening before. So this is our old code. We had something like this. And then we got like a little colossal Yippee whenever we restarted the game. Yeah, let me see. So if I get like a game over and I restart the game after I get a game over, like sometimes we get little Godzilla Yippee going on. So we gotta figure out how to stop that. Yeah, let's get like a game over and test it. Yeah, so we'll get bonked by this dude. Oh yeah, also there's a bug with the hitbox on the enemy weapons. It's kind of like it's behind the enemy. So we kind of gotta update that, but that's another one. But yeah, okay, well that time it was okay. Wait, maybe... Because I noticed it only happens some of the time. So it could be one of those Heisen bugs, the ones that only show up sometimes. Oh my gosh, whoa. And I'm invincible too. Okay, there's a couple of things going on here. So we'll have to fix a little couple of things. I think it's mostly with the timing of things, which we can fix. Yeah, okay, so here's the colossal Yippee bug. And it's because of the scaling. Yeah, so we've got little Godzilla. Well, it's not little, it's a big Godzilla Yippee. And we gotta fix the thing. Yeah, this is caused because we're like scaling it again after we restart the game. But yeah, it's kind of a funny bug. But yeah, we gotta see what we can do to make sure that the kaiju doesn't destroy all the enemy Yippies. That would be quite the monstrous disadvantage indeed. Yeah, so we'll see what's going on there. I'm pretty sure it's because of this. So this is scaling it to like the right size when we start the game, but this function's called again, like every time you restart the game. So you like start it once and it gets scaled to the right size, and then you like restart the game, and this gets called, and then it scales it again. So that's why it like becomes ginormous. So I gotta like make sure not to call this multiple times. And I'm thinking probably to have like some if statement around here, like did game restart or something. Yeah, I think so. I think maybe that would be a better way to go about it. And kind of like some of the other things I was trying, like the one that caused the subterranean mole Yippee. Yeah, we'll probably do something like this. I think that'll fix it. Yeah, we'll just have to like manage this variable. Yes, I think we'll just put it probably up here with some of our other stuff. Like, yeah, we have is game over. Also, we'll do like did game restart. And so, yeah, what I'll do is, oh I'll set that in here. So like kind of in our game overview, they have the option to restart the game. And then also, actually that would be here. Yeah, that would go here. So they can restart the game either if they get a game over, or if they pause the game, they can also have the option to restart it. So, like either of these, that'll be when they restart it. Oh, also I've got invisible Yippee here. Oh my gosh. I think that's because of the code change I made, maybe. Wait a minute. We've got a ghost sword here. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, bro, all these bugs are going wild. We've got Kaiju Yippee, we've got Mole Yippee, we've got invisible ghost Yippee. Oh my goodness, there's quite the jumble of bugs going on, and they're all doing some weird things. Yeah, what is causing this one? It must be this new code I've added. Game did restart is true. Let's see. So, game did restart. Oh wait, I think I might have an idea on what's causing it. Oh yeah, this should be a knot. Okay, that should fix it. Yeah. I think eventually though we gotta set this variable to false. So maybe... well, I'll test it. Maybe I'll test this in the simulator. Oh yeah, my iPhone's plugged in, so I'll just switch it to the simulator. Yeah, we'll test this in simulator, because I feel like I have an idea of another bug could happen. If we like go back to the home screen and start the game again. But yeah, that's why I'm gonna use the simulator this time. Because I've got a feeling. So we will test thoroughly and see where the bugs show up. Yeah, so let's test. So, oh wait, where's our background? Oh my goodness, what's going on? Uh-oh. Wait, that is weird. Wait, that shouldn't happen. Wait a minute. We spawned in void land. So we gotta figure out what's going on there. Did I remove like a create background function maybe? What is going on there? Okay, so this gets created. Alright. Do I need this? Maybe it needs this. I didn't really change all that much though. Let's see. Maybe these. What changes did I make? Create points label. There's a most sinister bug going on here. Now that's the first time I've seen this bug. But I didn't really change any of the background code. Yeah. maybe having this 1600, 1700 line file doesn't... I need to organize things a little better. Yeah, that's why we're seeing a lot of bugs, because we've got a lot of noodle code, a lot of spaghetti code. Now we've got to untangle the noodles and see where the beginning and the end of the noodle is. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, I don't know what's... Let me try running that in the simulator again, because that was weird. I was debugging for something else and we found another bug. Let's see, so if I run this... okay, so it's loading. Oh, did it crash? Hold on, let me run this again. Oh, it just like unexpectedly quit. Let me do the thing again. Okay. Oh yeah, that's weird. It's like maybe in the simulator it doesn't work. Because in the preview it works. And when I download it to my phone, like it also... Now there's something weird going on here. And it's like flashing too. Oh my gosh, it's like there's lightning in the void world. Oh my gosh, how scary. How scary indeed. Oh yeah, there's like some weird stuff going on. Okay. Yeah, we've spawned in quite the purgatory Yippee world. Oh my gosh. But then when I check in the preview, it's alright. So I think it's probably the simulator doing something. Probably. Let me uncomment some code, because I did not change the background code recently. I'm gonna uncomment this, and then we'll see. We shall see. I'll print some stuff too. Games with cool leaderboards, right? Yeah. Also, welcome, Dolphin Bird. Yeah, originally we were doing the leaderboard thing today, but I ran into some bugs and got a little sidetracked. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can fix some of the kind of the smaller bugs, and then we'll get into the leaderboard stuff. Yeah. Although I am a bit unprepared for the leaderboard stuff, because so I was planning on implementing it as like a game center leaderboard, but to do that I need like an Apple developer account, and I just signed up for a membership yesterday, so I can integrate that. But the payment takes like 2 days to process, so I can't do the game center thing yet, because it's still processing my thing. So I'm just gonna make like the UI for it. Yeah, and then we'll do the back end later. Fake Apple developer. Oh no, I've been outed. Yeah, actually, so that's like my second account, because I've got my personal account, and then I made a new one for the stream. Yeah, because I don't want to leak anything. But yeah, it's still processing, so we're gonna be at like a little fake dev for a little bit, until probably like tomorrow. I think it should be ready by like tomorrow's stream. But for now, we can just make the UI, and then we can do all the whole game center login and all that. Probably tomorrow, I'm thinking. Yeah. Let's see what's going on with this background stuff though. I think it was doing some weird stuff. I uncommented some code, so hopefully it's a little... okay. I don't know if I should trust the simulator. Something is going on. Yeah, something weird's going on with the simulator, I think. Let me try something. I'll try and delete the app. Maybe that'll do something. Sometimes some like data can get cached. No, I think okay. So still doing the purgatory Yippee world. I'll have to see what's going on here. Yeah, and the lightning in the black Yippee world. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I did some logs, so it's just creating the background, but it's not showing up. Interesting. We will have to inspect further. Oh, you do more than Swift? You've mentioned AWS Sillies before? Yeah, I do. I do more than Swift. Yeah. I like Swift the most, though. Swift is fun. I like mobile dev stuff the most. But yeah, I do a little other stuff. Yeah. I guess for like personal projects, I pretty much like only do Swift. Yeah, I guess that's true. But for like, I don't know, like non-personal stuff, I do like some like .NET, and I've done like Java before. Yeah, I don't know. I've done a lot of stuff in different languages. Yeah, I like mobile dev the most. I've done quite a bit of stuff in other languages. I would say I'm a pretty noob web dev though. Like I don't really do a whole lot of like React and JavaScript. I've done some, but like probably like 1 or 2 projects. Like those are like really small ones too. Yeah. But yeah, there's some other stuff I want to learn too, like Unity and or Unreal. Like those look pretty cool. And since I already do like .NET, I think, because those use like Unity uses C#. So that shouldn't be too bad to pick up. But yeah. I definitely like mobile dev, but I've done a couple of other things before. Yeah, a little bit. We dabble around. We do a little bit of dabbling in the technologies. Yeah. But definitely an AWS stan, that's for sure. Yeah, that is for sure. I'm actually, I don't know if I like AWS more or Firebase. I'm a pretty big Firebase fan. Like, at least for mobile stuff, that's like a pretty, like, Firebase is pretty fun for like integrating with backends. Yeah. Mainly mobile Swift devs when Kotlin enters. Yeah. I have not done any like Android stuff before. Yeah, I don't even know. I've never written any Kotlin. I've written like Java, and I think you can still use that for mobile stuff, but for like Android stuff. But yeah. I definitely need to explore the Android world, because that's like half the mobile market. Kind of, yeah. I know a lot of like iOS, but yeah, it's kind of limiting when you only know one. Also, what's going on with these hitboxes? Oh, I think I know what's going on, actually. I know what's going on. I'll fix the thing. Yeah, here's what's going on. We're adding multiple physics bodies. Yeah, that should fix it. Yeah. That should be good. Yeah. But yeah, mobile's pretty fun. I like it. I would highly recommend it. Because it's like, you got your project in your pocket at all times. You can just take it out whenever. My one React project got me my web dev job, I think. Oh, nice. Yeah, React is used a lot. It's like super popular. Yeah, that's like I only know React. I haven't even like done any other web framework. I know there's like Angular and Vue. Those are kind of the other two big ones. The React is like, I think, used like the most. Yeah, there's a lot of people use it. It's pretty good. Actually, React helped me learn Swift UI. Because it works very similarly. Or like you've got like kind of the state management of Swift UI is very similar to React. Yeah. Because before I used to use UI kit. Like I would say like most of my Swift projects have been in UI kit, but I swapped over to Swift UI last year because it was starting to get some traction, and it's pretty fun. It makes UI stuff more easy because you have this whole like preview on the right side. Like normally you didn't have this. So it's kind of, you have to like build your project every time to test your UI changes, but it's much better now. It doesn't matter who you program for, all of us in tech. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it don't matter what company you're in, as long as you're doing the coding thing, it's like you're in tech. That's for sure. Yeah. We all the same. We all the programmers. The pro gamers, that's for sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, I notice I'm like spawning facing left. I think that's also part of this. Let me put this in here too. Yeah. I think that should be alright. I guess I'll put this in here too. All of this in this if statement. Yeah. But yeah, I definitely like programming in general, because it's just like, it's a nice creative outlet, because you can just like, whatever silly thing you've got in your mind, you can make, like the meme apps or Yippee apps. As long as you've got the vision for it, you've got the programming skills to make it. So it's pretty fun. Yeah. I like to view like programming as kind of like a creative outlet. Yeah, because if you're not good at like art or like music or like writing, not like artistically gifted, if you can program, you can still do quite a lot in terms of like creative output. It's pretty good. Yeah. Also, welcome Sputnik. Yeah, we're doing. I guess the title of the stream is the Leaderboards, but yeah, I'm fixing some bugs. I was like, oh, let's do the Leaderboard UI, and then I found a buttload of bugs, and I'm like, okay, let me fix the bugs first. I can program, and it's fun to do meme stuff, right? Isn't it? Yeah, I love doing the meme thing too with programming. Game Center integration. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Yeah, I'm actually not ready for this stream because I still need to. My Apple membership is pending. I think another like 24 hours to be approved, so I can't integrate it yet. But I can do the UI for it though, just not the back end yet. Yeah. Oh, also I'm like phasing through lasers. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it's gonna be a Game Center leaderboard. Yeah, I did that for one of my other projects, so I kind of know how it goes. Yeah. It takes a full business day. It takes 2 business days actually. Yeah, I submitted my request like yesterday, and it was like I was expecting to like wake up and it would be approved, and like it is still pending. Yeah, I can't even log into the App Store Connect's website on my new account. Yeah. Any part of Swift development you dislike? I guess like it's limited to iOS. Like I would really wish if like Apple would like team up with Google and make stuff for Android too, because like if you learn Swift, you also have to learn either like Kotlin or some like cross-platform thing to do Android. So I guess that's one thing I dislike. I guess it's not really like, I don't know, that's just kind of a limitation of the language. Yeah. And then also kind of related to that is you need a Mac to develop in Swift. Yeah. Otherwise you gotta like you gotta like download an emulator or something, I don't know. Or more like you need to use a virtual machine a Mac virtual machine to develop in Swift. Yeah, so it's very platform specific, that's for sure. Apple's very, very strict on where they do the things. Yeah. But yeah, I kind of like it for the most part though. Other than that limitation. Yeah. And then I guess one other thing I didn't like, there's like this concept of like constraints in Swift. Like if you want to make your app look nice on different device sizes, there was like this constraint thing in UIKit to kind of make all like the buttons and the things kind of scale to like different like iPad or iPhone sizes. But they kind of fixed it with the Swift UI framework. So I would say that would have been a complaint of mine like a couple years ago. But it's actually like this new framework kind of makes it much nicer. Yeah, for the most part, I like it. It's pretty good. Yeah. Definitely, I would recommend, for sure. Yeah, I think some of our bugs went away. That was weird, the background bug in the simulator though. Like in the preview, you could see the background, but it was like doing some like weird void stuff in the simulator. That was weird. Yeah, but I've been doing Swift for like a minute. Yeah, the first like app that I built, like not on the App Store, just like a kind of testing stuff. That was back in 2016. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Yeah, I've liked it a lot. That's why I still do it. Even if it's not my full-time job, it's very fun. It's very fun. Apple won't open source that much more of Swift for that. Right? Yeah, I don't think they'll ever plan to collab with like Google and do some Android stuff. Yeah, or like make it like Xcode for Windows. Yeah, I don't see that happening because there's not much of a financial benefit, I think. They'd probably lose money if they did that, because then people wouldn't buy Macs. Yeah, it would just be like, oh, I can develop my iOS app on a Windows computer. I don't need to buy a Mac. Yeah, so I don't see them doing that. But I wish they did. I wish they made it so you didn't need a Mac to make an iOS app. Yeah. Yeah, at least in Swift and Xcode. I think you can still do it like with like React Native or like Flutter or something. But you can't you can't distribute to the App Store unless you like build it in Xcode. So if you want it released in the App Store, you still need to buy a Mac anyway. Yeah, you can do all the development technically in like something like React Native, like on a Windows computer. Yeah. Yeah. But even for React Native, you need to like build it in Xcode to release to the App Store. Yeah, it's weird. They're very strict on that. Yeah. Like even like way back when, and like when I started doing development in Swift, like that was kind of the main reason I bought a Mac, so that I could do like some kind of like iOS development. Yeah. Yeah, I remember the reasons for me buying a Mac was like to download Xcode and iMovie, and that was it. That was like the only reason I wanted a Mac over like another laptop, because like both of those are only like in the Mac App Store. Yeah. That's very, very exclusive. They've got their own little club on their apps. Yeah. Yeah, lest I get like a virtual machine and pay Mr. Bezos to run his Mac in his data center. I'd rather not. Yeah. I'd rather not. Yeah. But yeah, my goodness, we've got a lot of bugs going on. I think we've been like running through some of the projectiles sometimes. I have a feeling what might be causing that. Oh yeah, and then there's like some buffering when I get hit by projectiles. I think it's trying to do like a bunch of collisions at once. But yeah, I don't think it's like that bad. I don't think it's that bad. Yeah, that being said, no one thought .NET was gonna be open too. Oh yeah, Microsoft is surprising. Yeah, they do some more like open source stuff. Yeah, they're definitely a lot more open than Apple, that's for sure. Yeah. And there's actually some benefit to being like open, because then you have like all the devs to propose like updates and things, and you know, like maybe, you know, there's ideas outside the company. And this is very talented developers who don't work for Microsoft, and they have good ideas for the language and the frameworks and the things. So yeah, there's some benefit to like outsourcing some of your brain potential. Yeah, I think that's probably also why like I think like Mr. Zuckerberg, he open sourced his llama model, his big AI model. Yeah, because then people just like fork it and make some cool things. That's cool. Yeah, I remember he did like he was on like the Lex Friedman podcast, and Lex asked him like, "Are you gonna open source llama?" And he's like, "Oh, maybe," and then he did it. I think that's probably also why he did it. I think he got like, I think Lex came up with the idea first. Yeah, I definitely say like open source. There's a lot of benefits to that. Yeah, Apple should definitely make some more things open to the public. That's for sure. Yeah. But I think mostly this UI is good. Yeah, I think there's a bug here with the enemies defeated line. It's like on 2 lines. I kind of want it to be on the text on 1 line. Actually, that might be a quick fix. Yeah, the decision must be so calculated. Nothing is from the good of heart, right? Yeah, it's very. I bet you it was much more of a business decision than a kind of spur of the moment. We like our developers kind of thing. Yeah, it's like, if we open source it, how much profit and eyes will that bring to our thing? Yeah, because I think maybe probably another incentive was like, oh, we don't want people to use ChatGPT, so maybe if we open source our thing, people will improve it and use our thing more. I don't know, something like that. But yeah. Yeah, we don't... Yeah, they definitely probably thought about it before doing it. That's for sure. They probably thought long and hard about that one. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I think... hopefully that fixes that one thing. I'll check. But yeah. Yeah, most calculated indeed. Yeah. Yeah, I would say they're... compared with like Elon, I think Elon does things more for the memes. He's much more of a people man. Yeah. I'm a little bit of a stan, I'll admit. A little bit of a stan. But yeah, doing things for the memes is always more fun. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta loosen up. Yeah, do things just cause it's funny. Just cause it's fun to do. Yeah. Or cause people want it. Yeah. And sometimes that actually can be a good business decision, I think. It's like doing things for the memes. Oh yeah, okay, this fixed the enemies defeated thing. Yeah. Yeah, I think we fixed most of the bugs. I think that image thing in the preview probably was like... I think it's just like preview specific. That is weird though. Actually, let me try running this on another simulator. I'll run it on the iPhone 14 Pro instead of the Plus. Oh wait, I swapped it and the background just went black. Oh, that's weird. Wait a minute, is this... Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Maybe it's because I don't have the image for that size class, maybe. I'm gonna run this on the Pro. Yeah, so this is this current simulator is the iPhone 14 Plus. But let me swap it over to the whatchamacallit, the iPhone 14 Pro. See if I can get it. Here we go. Okay, so this is the Pro now. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, yeah, now the image is working on the simulator. Oh, that is weird. Yeah, maybe it's like device-specific error. Ooh, those are not fun. Yeah, but I feel like it's maybe I just don't have the image asset for like that device or something. Yeah, probably. I don't know. I'll think about it later. Yeah. Yeah, doing things for the memes is fun. Because memes are cool. Memes are very PogChamp. It works on my machine, bro. Right? Yeah. Yeah, it's like, that's big memes. Yeah. Yeah, some stuff compiles on one phone and not on the other. Yeah, you gotta root cause it, but I think it's probably related to like... Yeah, so I have like the background asset here. Or no, I think it's... What is it? Kingdom? BG Kingdom. Yeah, maybe one of these size classes isn't working right. Yeah, I think so. Maybe. It's working on my phone, so... Yeah, it works on my machine. So I ain't gonna think about it. I think it's probably like a simulator bug. I think that's probably why. Sometimes there's some bugs which are exclusive to the simulator. So you gotta just keep it in mind. Yeah. I think for the most part, I think I'll probably work on the leaderboard, cause yeah, we fixed some of the bugs, the kaiju Yippee. the invisible Yippee with the ghost sword. And then there was also the mole Yippee. Yeah, these 3 bugs, I think we fixed those. Yeah. So I think I'm ready to start the leaderboard UI. So let me do some design. Because I've never done a leaderboard on a landscape app. I've only done one on a portrait app. So I wasn't actually sure how I wanted to go about it. Let me do a little bit of the drawing thing. We'll become a bit of an artist now. So here's what I'm thinking maybe for the leaderboard. So probably like a back button, right? Just to go back. And then here's our thing. I'm gonna be a little bit of a Picasso here. And we'll have the little tabs. We'll have probably, I don't know if I want to do tabs, maybe. Oh right, because I think I had like sideways tabs for the shop. Maybe I want to do that here. Yeah. So I'll do like I wanted to do one for like distance and also one for like points. Or yeah, so like total distance, points, and then maybe oh yeah, let me also put like what I'm doing. So this will be like leaderboard UI. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. Yeah, so will be like probably like points. Oh, am I drawing? Oh, I'm drawing on this. Yeah, this is GIMP. This is boneless Photoshop. Yeah, because I don't have Photoshop on my Mac, so I'm using I don't know. GIMP is cool. It's free. That's the plus. Yeah. So there's like points. These are like tabs. So I'll probably have like points, and then I'm thinking on like total distance traveled or something. I kind of like the idea of having a leaderboard for like distance traveled, because I think it like incentivizes people to play more. Because like, you don't have to be good at the game to be at the top of this leaderboard. You just have to play a lot. Yeah, so we'll do the little Corpa thing and incentivize people to play more. Why not? Yeah, so total distance. I don't know if I want to put like traveled. I feel like if I put too many words in the tab, then it might get a little crowded. Yeah, it's like total distance traveled. Yeah, I'm writing in hieroglyphics, but and that's what that says. So I'll do points, total distance traveled, and then I think like enemies defeated or like Yippies defeated. We'll have like I think we'll like 3 different leaderboards. I think will be good. Yeah, I was debating on whether to just have one for the points and not do the other 2, but I don't know. I think having like multiple metrics will be cool. Yeah, or what am I typing? Yippies defeated. Yeah, we'll do this. Yeah, so it has like these like tabs on the left, which is like what we have for the shop. Yeah, maybe I should show the shop too. It's kind of like a side by side. Yeah, so this is kind of what it'll look like. Very similar to our shop. And then we'll have at the top here, leaderboard. Yeah, sorry, I'm drawing with the trackpad. Yeah, I've never used a mouse on a Mac laptop. And I've been using a Mac for like 8 years. Yeah, I've always used the trackpad. But yeah, one of the downsides is like, then you write in Egyptian hieroglyphics when you need to do this. Yeah, so yeah, but I've gotten used to it. But yeah, this will be kind of similar to like the shop UI that I have right now. Yeah, let me actually show the shop because it'll be a good comparison. Let me show the thing. Yeah, here we go. So here's like the app. Yeah, so kind of like the shop. It'll look like this. So you see there's like the 3 tabs on the left for like the different, you've got like the gems tab, and then there's like upgrades and skins. I'm thinking for the leaderboard, you'll be able to go to the different leaderboards, kind of like the left side tabs. Yeah, because normally I'd put these tabs at like the top, but since it's a landscape app, oh, a thing just restarted. Yeah, since it's a landscape app, there's not a lot of room to work with. Yeah, so I'll just keep them on the left instead of the top. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So don't get too crowded. Yeah. So that'll be like the leaderboard. And then, here's what I'm thinking for this. So I'm thinking on having like a thing down here. So this will be you. This is like where you are in the leaderboard. And it'll be like, I don't know, maybe you're number 73 on the leaderboard. And you have like, you've defeated, let's say you're on this tab. This will be kind of highlighted. And then you've defeated like, I don't know, 50 enemies. So this will be like always showing at the bottom. And then there'll be like a scrollable part up here. You can like scroll up and down. And then you'll have like the number 1 dude at the top. And I'm thinking for number 1, I'll put like a little emoji here. Like a little metal emoji, kind of like my Twitch title. I've got like the little metal emojis, the 1, the 2, and the 3. I'm planning on doing that for this. So you'll have like the little emojis here for 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll have a 4. And then you can like scroll down to get to where you are. Actually, no, I'm thinking maybe this list will this will be like up to, like scroll down up to like a max of 100. Yeah, because if you try and load, like if this app gets like, I don't know, if this app gets popular and then there's like 1,000 people that play the app and get on the leaderboard, then it might take some time to load the leaderboard if I'm showing all 1,000 people. Yeah, so we'll just max it out at like 100 or something. Yeah. So I think this is probably what the leaderboard will look like. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Cool. Yeah. And actually, this should be good because I already have these tabs as like a separate UI component, so I can just like reuse it in my app. Yeah. That should make it a bit quicker. Yeah, let's do the leaderboard UI, and maybe if my account gets approved, we'll do the Game Center stuff tomorrow. Yeah. Well, let's see how we do the thing. Yeah, let's do some leaderboard UI. Yeah. So, first things first, probably want to do, oh yeah, I have these like tabs here, I think. Hold on. Let's see. What have we got going on? I forgot where I put my tab thing. Where's the tabs? Was it this? It might have been this. Oh, maybe I don't have it. Oh no, shop tab button. Where is this? I'm not sure where that is. Let's see. Shop tab button. Oh, it's probably at the top here. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. So I don't have like a separate UI for it. Then maybe I'll just copy this code. Yeah, the best practice to copy the code. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah, so we'll do this and then we'll make a new folder probably. We'll call it, we will call it Leaderboard. Indeed. We'll make a leaderboard view. That should be good. And then in here, we'll do a couple of things. We'll do a couple of little things. We'll do some, we'll have a little leaderboard tab view. Yeah, so I'll make a new Swift UI file. Call it leaderboard tab view. There we go. Also do this preview device, preview orientation thing. Landscape left. Indeed. As we do with our landscape apps. Yeah. And then, yeah, I guess we'll just copy over our code from the other thing. Yeah. And probably I want this to be a separate file. Yeah, I'll make this like a supporting view, I think. Shop tab button. Yeah. We'll do this shop tab button. And we will make this a supporting view. Hooray! There we go. Oh, do we need... I guess we don't really need a preview for this. Or we can make one, just in case we want to look at it. Tab text. We'll say... YRM points. Maybe like total points. And tab corner radius, we'll put like a 20. Tab size, oh, okay. Alright. We shall do the long thing. UI screen.main.bounds.width divided by 8. And then the height thing also. Yes, we shall do the things. And we've got some colors also. Yeah. Cool. I think this is good. Oh, are we missing something? We might be missing something. Oh, yeah, we did this twice. And then, oh, invalid redeclaration. Uh-oh. Yeah, we want to delete this from here then. Cool. Now we can reuse that. That's good. We gotta see where this bug is coming from. Here. Oh, did I... tab text, tab corner radius, size. Oh, there's an extra parentheses. That's no good. I think we're good now. Cool. There's our little tab. Very quaint. Oh, now we can reuse this. Very nice. Cool, cool. Alright. Yeah, that's good. That is A-okay in my book. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I think that'll work. Probably. Now let's see, what else do we want to do? How about... we do some things. We do some other things. Yeah, let's just yoink our code from the shop for making our leaderboard. Yeah. We like to do a little bit of yoinking of our own code. The best type of yoinking. The copy and paste yoink. Yeah. I think what I'll do is I'll literally just copy this whole this whole thing and see what I need to change. I think that's a good place to start. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So, what shall we do here? Where did I put the shop text at? I have like some shop text here somewhere. Let's see. Let us take a gander. Let me see. So yeah, there's a bunch of bugs going on. Well, not really bugs here, but just errors because we copied in some code. Yes, so we got the shop tab corner radius, our tab width. Actually, what did I put here for the shop tab view? Because I probably want to copy this too. Yeah. Yeah. Also, I love this Toho music. This is a compilation. Yeah, the name of this compilation is called "How Many Times Do I Have to Teach You This Lesson, Old Man?" And it's Cafe de Toho, albums 1 through 8. I always come back to this compilation because of the title, and plus it's good music. But the title is so funny. How many times do I have to teach you this lesson, old man? I think the person who made this album, I think they mentioned this video got taken down like 5 times, and so that's why they named the title that. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah. Let's see. Let me copy over that shop stuff. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So we will copy this over, and we will make the leaderboard happen. Ah, there we go. There's our leaderboard. That's actually the shop. But we'll change it up. We'll change it up. Leaderboard complete. Wow, that's so quick. Nah. If only. But that's where the interesting part comes. What do we want to change? What do we want to take out and do better for the leaderboard? Let's see. So we can keep this. Oh, we'll change the tab name. So we've got what do they have in our UI? We had like points. We'll put total points. And then I'll put also maybe total distance traveled. And we'll use 1L because why not? There's 2 different spellings. Yeah. Yippie's defeated. Alright. Oh, it's not centering though. I'm noticing that. Okay. So we'll center this text so it doesn't... It looks like it's left aligned. Yeah, let's see. Where is that going? Shop tab button. Oh, I see. Okay. So maybe in our shop tab button, we need to center align this text. So let's go to this, and we can do... I think there's a property for this probably. Alignment, maybe? Font design, font weight. Actually, I'm gonna consult the Googles. SwiftUI text alignment. Where is it? Multi-text alignment. Interesting. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll do a multi-text alignment center. I don't know if that changed anything. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it did. Now it is center aligned, but there's not much padding on the sides, so looks like we need some more padding for the text. Or we could just make our tabs wider, but I don't know. I don't want to do that. I'd rather have like a little spacing around the text. Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit. Let's do a little bit of some refinement of the UI. So, I guess just have like a padding here, right? Right? I think so. Let's see. Oh, oh no, that's a bit awkward. Okay, I think it put the padding, like after the, okay. Let's see. Let's see, how do we want to do it then? Oh, okay, I know what happened. Yeah, we need to put the padding like here, I guess. But I think that'll make the thing bigger. Or like the padding here. Yeah, it makes the whole thing bigger. I don't know. I kind of just want left padding, so we'll do like leading. Maybe? Oh, but now it's not centered. We can do the thing with the leading trailing. Okay. Hopefully this is a little better. We'll see. Okay. I guess that kind of works. Yeah. Although now our thing is like pretty gymongous. Like you'll see that our view is much bigger. But I think this mostly works. Actually, you know what I'd rather do? Instead of the padding, I'd rather shrink the text. I think that would work better. Yeah, there's a little bit of some UI decisions we're making on the fly. As we do, since we don't really plan much. But we will make the UI decisions on the fly. So, we should have a minimum scale factor of this. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, I guess that's it, right? Oh, but it's still... it's not scaling our text down. Maybe... we need to make the frame smaller so that it scales it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me actually... I'm gonna try something. So we'll make this the tab width and height, right? But then we will do the things. So this is our tab width and height. And then we'll put like a what do we have? We had like total distance traveled. Yeah, let's see if we can get this to scale down. Yeah. Because we don't want it to kind of touch the edges like that. It looks a little off. Yeah. So can we do this? Can we maybe make the tab size? Well, what if we scale it 8, 9? Let's see. I have a feeling it's not scaling because the frame isn't right. Yeah. I mean, I could do this. like line limit 1 and it would scale, but that's not really what I'm going for. Maybe... let's see. What do we want to do? Where is this frame? Let me see. So that's the frame. I want the frame to be like smaller than the... Yeah, I basically just want the thing to scale inside this. Yeah. Yeah. So... what to do then? What if I did like minimum scale factor 0.5? I divide this by 2. Oh, it just... okay. Okay. Oh, thinking emoji. What to do then? How about... I mean, the padding thing worked, but it didn't look that nice. I would rather the text be smaller. Oh, wait, actually, I have a better idea. So instead of... okay, yeah, actually, I have a better idea. I'll just put the... I'll pass a tab or a text font size. Yeah. So instead of this font weight semi-bold, I think I'll do this. I'll say font system size, and then I'll also have this font weight semi-bold actually. But we'll pass a size here. So maybe like size 20 or size 10. I'm not sure what size it's doing right now. I think it's like 15 or something. Yeah, but we'll just scale the font ourselves. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll say this var font size, and this will be a CG float, and we'll pass this in. Yeah, that is what we'll do. So we'll say this is 15. All right, that is good. What else shall we do? How about... oh yeah, we need to pass this in. There we go. But then we also need to update our shop tab view to have these new font size things. Yeah. So, for the shop, I think they'll all be the same size, kind of like 20. Yeah. And then for our, whatchamacallit, our leaderboard, we will update it. Yeah. That should be good. Cool. Yeah, so we'll just like scale it how we want. Guys, how does this look like in our shop so far? Okay, that's good in the shop. The shop is good. Yeah, I guess we also want to do this. We want to say like, if it's iPad, do the other thing. Yeah, probably. So var is iPad equals UI device dot current orientation. As we do, if it's an iPad, make the font size bigger. That makes sense to me. Oh, heck. UI device.current. Oh, user interface idiom. Yes. There we go. Cool. All right. Yeah. So that's good. So then for this, let's make this font size maybe like 15. Or 18. And then for total distance traveled, I'll make it a bit smaller, I think. I don't like those like 3 words being on 3 separate lines. Yeah, I'll say this. I'll say, well, actually, yeah, I'll just put like a little ternary in here. If the tab name is equal to the total distance traveled, then we will make the font size a little smaller. So we'll make it like, I don't know, 15? Like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, okay. Then we'll do an if statement in here. If tab name equals or does not equal this. Well, yeah. If it does equal this, then do the thing. Otherwise, do the other thing. Oh, I feel like this messed up some of the spacing a bit. Yeah, I need another squiggly. Yeah. Ah, there we go. It looks a little nicer. Expected thing after if. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, I see. It is missing a squiggly. Oh, there's a lot of squigglies going on here. We gotta be careful we're not missing any. We're putting too much. Oh, wait, we're missing. Okay. Okay. I think we have an extra one. Yeah. So let's see, what do we want to do? We'll do an else here. Copy this over. Yeah, so that works. Now the total distance text is a bit smaller, and it's on like 2 lines. I think that should work nicer. Actually, we don't even need this anymore. Yeah, so we can make this a 15, and this one an 18. There we go. That looks a bit nicer. Yeah. So now to modify the actual content of this. So instead of like upgrades view or gems view or any of that, we'll have leaderboard view. Yeah, so we need to make that. We need to make a leaderboard view. So let us do that. Actually, we don't need any of this purchase stuff either. Yeah. We don't need this. No. What's this disabled? Did press... Oh, okay. I know what that is. Yeah, we don't need that. Cool. This should be fine. Yeah, we've got a lot of commented out code. But we'll get rid of the stuff that we don't need. Now let's see, what else do we want? So instead of these 3 views, well, okay, we need to do this. Case total points, total distance traveled, and default. Yes. There we go. Alrighty. Now I've got this. Cool, cool. I think this might be out of sync. I think it's like upside down or something. Hold on a minute. Okay. Yeah, we'll fix the things. We shall fix the things. Yeah, this one. So cool. All right. Alrighty. Now that is aligned appropriately. So yeah, we'll have a leaderboard UI. I forgot how I did it for the upgrades view and all this, how I planned it out. Here, okay, so it looks like that. Okay, yeah, actually, I'll refer some old code for this. Some old project code for the UI, because I did create a UI, and I'm planning on pretty much using a very similar approach from another project. Yeah. So this is leaderboard tab view. And then we'll also have like, I guess like leaderboard table view. Yeah. Cool. That should be good. All right. And then, yeah, let me check some code that I had here. Actually, I'll probably just copy this over. Let me copy over the code and just change some of the things. I'll do a little bit of copying of the code. Yeah, because there's a lot of code here. There is quite a bit of code for the leaderboard UI. As you can imagine, there's quite a lot of states to deal with. So you've got like if the leaderboard is loading, if it's, you know, like how many rows there are, what data to show in it. There's a lot of stuff with the leaderboard that you need to consider. Yeah. Yeah, let me, I yoinked my code for my other project. So let me see what I've got. So, let me just plop this on in here. Yeah, so here's kind of what we've got initially. We've got leaderboard data. We've got a name. So this will be like the name of the person, the score that they have, and then their position in the leaderboard. And you need an ID for them to be unique. Yeah. So this will kind of be standard across all the 3 leaderboards we have. That should be fine. I might also include an image here. I forgot to include that. Yeah, let me bring back up the design of our leaderboard again. Because I might also have an image here. I might also have an image. So maybe like here. Yeah, so you'd have like a little image of the dude. Not like because you can use in Game Center, you can use little emojis to represent yourself. Like there's like different like emojis that Apple provides for your Game Center avatar, and you can show this in the leaderboard along with the name. So we'll put like a name here. Yeah. And then we'll put like the score. This will be like, I don't know, 120. And then we'll put like a little smiley here too, to represent you. There we go. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking for the leaderboard. So I might actually also need to store the image or fetch the image. I forget how to do that, but I think I'll need to update that leaderboard data object that we have with that. Yeah. Because I have not done that yet before. Yeah, let me see what code we've got to refer here. I wonder if I should just yoink everything and then change it how we see fit. I'm thinking probably just yoink the whole code that I have. That could work. You know what? I think I'll do it. That is the benefit of having apps before. I can just plop everything in here. Wait, actually, I need to... Wait, let me double check it. I'm not leaking anything, because this is code from a personal project. Yeah, let me... It's quite a lot of code. I'm gonna sift through it a bit. I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Guys, I can show this now. Cool. Yeah, so here's our leaderboard code. We had stroke text. I don't have that in this project. Forgot what I used that for. Oh, okay, this was the leaderboard UI text. Actually, I don't want that here. Or what is this VStack? Thinking emoji. I forgot what I use this VStack for. I don't think I need it. So there's this VStack. I'm gonna have to make my code microscopic to see where the... I guess that is something I don't like about Swift. Or Swift UI, actually. I have to, like, find out where the thing starts and ends. I mean, I guess I could also do, like, code folding. Maybe I should do that. Let me see. I forget how to do it. But you can, like, fold your code so that it doesn't show... Yeah, let's see. Fold. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so I don't think I need this VStack on the outside. Oh wait, this has the button to go back. Oh yeah, that's not in this view. I don't need that. Yeah, that should be fine to take this out. Yeah, I'm just thinking... Yeah, that should be fine. I guess I want to have this frame, though. No, wait, I don't. Yeah, okay. This will just be the geometry reader size. And then we'll do a little bit of unfolding of the code. There we go. Very nice. And we don't need this leaderboard or the stroke text. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna fold the code again here. Yeah, so we'll do a little bit of code folding. Yeah, we're kind of doing a little folding. We do a little folding. I don't think I need this V stack either. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff I can take out because we're kind of organizing it a little better. Yeah, so we'll take out this. This V stack. And this stroke text also. Cool. I'm making our code a bit smaller. That's always nice. Alright. I have a couple errors though. Invalid redeclaration. Ah, okay. Yeah, then we don't need this. Alright. Yeah, let's see what we've got going on. So, this already has some of the Game Center code in it from my old project. But we cannot yet integrate Game Center because my account is still pending approval. I already paid them their $99 yearly fee. Yeah, I just had to like cut out a piece of my soul and hand it to Mr. Tim Cook. But yeah, he's still processing my piece of soul. So that's why it'll probably take another 24 hours before my soul gets processed by Mr. Tim Apple himself. Yeah, before I get my developer membership. Yeah. Mr. Tim Apple himself. Bro, I don't... Dude, that yearly sub is so expensive. And now I have two. Because I have my personal account and I have my stream Apple account. Because I'd rather not leak my personal account. That would be very not good. So I'd rather just opt to pay another $99 a year. Yeah, okay. I could fix it by... Well, I can't really fix it. I don't want the two to overlap. Because I don't wanna dox myself. We'll just bite the bullet on that one. Yeah. I think it should be okay. As long as we don't ever have to live in a box under the bridge. Well, then we'll just cancel those subs, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Invalid redeclaration. Oh, let me do a product clean. I think that should fix this. This should be fixed. But there should still be some bugs down here related to like some of the objects that haven't been made yet. Maybe I'll see those if this preview loads. Oh no, this bug is still here. Leaderboard view. Leaderboard tab view. Oh, did I make this twice? I don't think so. This shouldn't be a bug. I'm just gonna ignore it. Oh. It should probably be leaderboard table view. I think so. Yeah. And then, yeah, let's see how to fix the other bugs. So, we've got this one, player data manager. We haven't made this yet. Yeah, this is from an old project, but eventually we need something like this to basically pull the data from persistent storage. Because right now we're not saving any of our stats. Like ideally, when you play a game, you defeat some enemies and you travel some distance and you get some points, and then it saves onto your phone. So the next time you open the app, it'll be there. Right now it's not saving, but similarly, when you load the leaderboard, it should kind of pull this data from where you've saved it to kind of update where your placement is in the leaderboard. But we don't have that code yet, so this will have to wait. This will wait. Yeah, maybe I should just like comment this out. Yeah. Yeah. For now. What else? Yeah, I don't need this comment. Yeah, also this leaderboard ID. We'll have multiple leaderboard IDs actually. Because I'm gonna have multiple leaderboards. So yeah, actually GK load leaderboard. Ooh, I'm seeing a problem. I might not be able to I think I'm gonna have to comment a lot more code than I'm thinking. Because this will show the load the UI based on pulling the data from Game Center. Well, we don't have that integration yet. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna do like a constant list for now, and then we'll do the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Also, we need this. We need show leaderboard. Yeah. Show leaderboard. Probably also want the different devices. So let me yoink these from the old project. All the different device types. So that we can support all of our players with their different phone and iPad sizes. Yeah. And then, okay. Let's see. With commas. Oh. I think this is an extension. Yeah, maybe. I think I made an extension in my other project. I think I need to add this with commas thing. I did. Yeah. I have an extension to add commas to a number. Like, say if it's like 1,000,000, it doesn't automatically put the commas in between the numbers. So yeah, let me make a little extension for this. Extension to int. So I'll just add this under here. Func with commas, and you get a string out of the int. So there's number formatter. I'm just yoinking this from an old project. Trust me, I don't have a... This is not coming from memory. I am no... I wish I remembered stuff like that, but yeah, this is very... Actually, I'm kind of the opinion it's best to know where to look for code than to memorize code. That's kind of my opinion on things for programming. As long as you know where to look, that kind of saves the brain memory. Yeah. Because if you think about it, it's like storing a pointer in your brain rather than all the memory. It's much less brain RAM. If you can envision your brain as a computer. Yes. Let's see. What else do we want? Yeah, so this should go away now. Yeah. Now, oh, we've got some errors here. Instance member, show leaderboard. Can't be used on type preview. Poor K. Hold on a minute. Something sussy is going on. Something most sus is happening. There's quite the sus imposter here. Let's see. So, I think, oh, I think I might know what's happening. I might know what's going on here. Ah, yes, okay, I know what's happening. Yeah, so you can't use state variables in the preview unless you do another preview. It's very weird, very odd. But I see how I did this in my other project. I said, I had like a preview container. So leaderboard table view, like leaderboard table view preview container. That's what I did. This should be preview container. Yeah, and then you show this. That way you can have the state variable. Although still running into some bugs. This should be a view. Yeah, there we go. So you have to have like a view first. And then you do the preview on the view. Yeah. Oh, invalid redeclaration of leaderboard view. Leaderboard table view previews. There we go. Oh, does that mean this is called leaderboard? No. Okay, yeah, now that bug is gone. Okay. So then this leaderboard, leaderboards.filter, leaderboard data temp. I forgot why I had this. GK leaderboard, load leaderboards. From the thing, load the leaderboard. Do I need that? The leaderboards, what is this? Leaderboards filter on the ID. And then show the data. Okay, this is a load leaderboard function. I'm gonna comment this function out for now, because we can't load our leaderboard yet. That's the thing we're pending on for Mr. Tim Apple to approve my second membership. Yes, we're paying Apple double now. So be it. Okay, and I guess we'll have to comment this out too. Yeah. Okay, so now I think we should be able to see some UI, at least. Oh, no, we've got one more error. We need to unwrap something. Oh, did I not copy that right? Oh, yeah, we need to force unwrap this. There we go. Alright. Now, let's see. We shall see. Do we have any UI? I don't think so. Because... oh, there we go. We do have some. Here's our leaderboard. Very leaderboard-like. Yeah, but basically this is like the bottom row. And we've got a scroll view here. And it's loading because there's no data. Yeah. So, I'm gonna take out this background. All right. And then, what else? So I think it's stuck on loading because it's not, I mean, we're not loading any data, but we should be able to put some static data in here to see some stuff. Yeah. So let's see. Where do we want to put some static data? Let me actually see where, I forgot where I had this loading text. Loading row. So this comes off of this else statement. So if leaderboard.count is greater than 0, then we show the data. Otherwise, we show this loading row, which is kind of what's showing right now. Which is this. We've got loading row. So it's loading. Yeah. So, it's kind of waiting for some data. But we shall use some static data. Actually, we don't need this either. A lot of stuff we don't need. Yeah. So, for our leaderboard UI view, we will do the things, and that will be good. What's a good way to show this? Yeah, like this. Alrighty. Maybe I can kind of shrink it a bit more. Yeah. Trying to find the optimal setup. Normally this grows in size. Whatever. Whatever, it'll be a bit small. So... yeah, that saves us a lot of brain work. We don't have to think too much because we did the thinking in our old project. That's always good. Yeah, so... let's see. What else do we want to do? I'm trying to think. So, I think we just want to put some, like, static data in that leaderboard data array there. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I am thinking. So instead of doing this, I will say this. Leaderboard data equals, and here's where we'll put some static data. Leaderboard data, and we'll put a name, and we'll put like a, I don't know, what's a good name to put here? My name Jeff. That will be good. A score of 10. Oh, this is supposed to be an int. Cannot convert type of double to string. Really? Score is a string? That's... wait, what is... hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Item.score, this is a string. Wait, I forgot why I did that. Wait, why do I do that? That don't make sense to me immediately, but I think it probably made sense back when I made it. So I will not, I will question it a little bit, but I won't doubt myself too much. So I passed in this thing with commas, string, number formatter, decimal, do the thing, let me see. Where's our leaderboard thing again? Here. I don't know why this is a string. That seems interesting. Oh wait, is it not like this? That should be fine, actually, I think. But this is most intriguing. Int item.score. It's casting it to an int. Wait, so why can't I just do like this and pass an int? But then score has to be an int. Oh, I remember how I did this back in my other app. Yeah, this is an int. I actually probably want this to be a float. Yeah, I think so. But then this extension won't work. Because this needs to be a float. Or an int. Yeah. So I'll need to do an extension to CG float. I don't know if it'll work. Number, style, decimal. I forget why I did that. I'm gonna do an extension to CG float. And put that in there. See if there's any errors. NS number. I guess CG float conforms to NS number, so I think this is fine. Okay. Hopefully this goes away. We shall see. Oh, cannot convert CG float to string. Oh, I see. Okay. Otherwise, use this. Okay. Can I do this? I think so. There we go. There we go. Oh look, failed to produce diagnostic. Bruh. I'm gonna reload this. Oh. Oh, thank you for the follow, Emporium guy. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, we're doing the leaderboard stuff. We're making a leaderboard. Hey, hello. Hello. We're doing some leaderboard stuff. Yeah, we've pretty much got like... oh, and also it's gonna be a Game Center leaderboard. So it's like a... You know, in like iOS you've got Game Center. And you got like little achievements or scores you can do. But yeah, we're doing the UI first, and then we'll do some Game Center integration. Yeah. Let's see, we got a little bug going on. Yeah, I'm gonna restart my Xcode. I feel like it's one of those kind of Xcode kind of bugs. We'll do a little bit of a restarting of the Xcode, and then we'll do some fixing of the things. But yeah, I guess a little self intro. I do like mobile app dev stuff. Yeah, sometimes I like to turn memes into mobile apps. This time I'm doing a Yippee game. And then I also do some gaming too, but yeah, we've done a lot more of the app dev stuff recently. Just because this app I'm planning on putting on the App Store, so it's taking a bit of time. Yeah. It's always rare to find Swift devs on Twitch, so it's always nice to see, despite me programming in C#. Oh, wait, you're very similar to me. Yeah, I've actually, this is kind of like my hobby is Swift development, but my actual, my day job, I do C# as well. Yeah, yeah, I think we're very similar in that respect. Yeah. Yeah, Swift is fun. Swift is good. I like Swift. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Indeed. Indeed. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here we go. I'm reloading this thing to see if this bug fixes. Yeah, Swift is good. I like it. Oh no, yeah, we still got this bug. Failed to produce. Oh man. Yeah, this is very fun. I like building really silly things in Swift. Really silly apps. I've made quite a bit of the meme apps. Like I made there was like a 9 + 10 = 21 meme, and I made an app. I made a calculator app which made 9 + 10 = 21. That's literally all it did. Yeah, I like doing really silly things like that. And this Yippee game is kind of in a similar vein. Yeah, but this one I'm putting it on the App Store. I'm planning for that. So we're making it much more fleshed out. Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty big meme. Very big meme. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think yeah, building the silly things is always fun to do. Yeah. Indeed. Let's see, what have we got going on here? We've got a couple of errors. Oh, I know what this is. We need to do a couple things here. Fair. Anything that goes on App Store does take time to refine. Yeah. Because actually, it's like some of the meme apps I've built on stream took like 2 or 3 streams. Like they're very small. But this one, like this is like part 23 of building this app. So it's taking much more. Like it's also like the first platformer game I'm making. It's much more involved. Yeah. Well, it's taking a minute. That's for sure. It's taking a little bit of a minute to do. Yeah, because there's like some more stuff you gotta think about when you're publishing to the App Store. Like, you know, it has to look nice on all the device sizes, and yeah, it's gotta have enough features for it to pass App Store review. Yeah, there's a little bit that goes on. That's for sure. Yeah. Let's see. I think I can do this. Just trying to get this to compile at least. Let's see. Yeah, the game is going on pretty nicely though. Yeah. Ah yeah, here's our kind of leaderboard. Cool. A little bit of a leaderboard. Yeah, the game is actually... Is this like the first platformer I've built? But it's going pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me switch to a different preview. Yeah, because the background kind of messes up sometimes. Ooh. Yeah, this is kind of what the platformer is like. It's like a little Yippee mobile game. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, we gotta... Yeah, I think there's a bug with the background sometimes, but... Yeah, the main game is like... You gotta like... fight these little dudes. And you get like points when you beat them. And they can sometimes drop some rubies. Yeah, there's a bit of a bug with the background though. Yeah, we got like ranged weapons and things like that. And little structures spawn. It's pretty nice. You can like pause the game and restart it and stuff. Yeah. I've got some kinks to work out, but for the most part, it's doing all right. It's doing okay. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, I'll fix some of the kinks of it later. But for now, we'll do a little bit of some leaderboard stuff. Yeah. I don't wanna flashbang you with that weird background flashing bug. Yeah. The basics of platforming is there. Yeah, we've got like a little camera following the player and stuff like that. I mean, little tiles and things. Yeah, it's doing all right. Yeah, we got little enemies here too. Oh, defeat some of our Yippee enemies. Indeed. Oh, camera following the player. Oh yeah, little background bug though. don't wanna flashbang yeah. But yeah, let's see what we've got with the leaderboard. Yeah, right now I'm just putting in some like static data. Like eventually I'm gonna be pulling this from like Game Center. But yeah, I'm actually pending. Like I put like a request in for an Apple developer account yesterday, so I'm pending it to be approved, and then we can do some Game Center stuff. Because I need that first before I can do that. But for now we can do the UI a little bit. Yeah. And we got like my name Jeff here, and we'll do some more stuff. We'll do some more memes. Maybe this person they like the 9+10 meme, and maybe this will be like Among Us, Mr. Among Us imposters in place number 3. Oh my gosh, how sussy. Yeah, let's see if this updates in our leaderboard. We'll see. We shall see. Ah, there we go. Cool. Oh, how long does it usually take? It usually takes a while. Like, and also because sometimes the first time I'm doing things, so it usually takes even longer when it's like I haven't done it before. Like I think this is like the first time I'm building a platform where there's some bugs I haven't seen before. And also because I only really work on it on stream. Like I do a little bit off stream, like some of the images and some bug fixes, but yeah, it takes like several months usually. Like at least the first one that I built in this Swift UI framework, that one took me like 7 months. Yeah, that took a while because I hadn't even written any Swift UI before, so it took me, like I'd say a lot of that time was learning. But this time, now that I know it, I think it'll take less. Like, I think I've been working on this app since like January, like around like end of January. So it's around like the 4-month mark, and I'm thinking it will probably be like maybe like a month more, and then the app development I think will be done. Yeah, unless we have a bunch of bugs, and maybe like I'll say like 1 to 2 months. Probably I'm thinking left. Yeah, so maybe that is kind of like close to the 7-month mark. But yeah, we don't have too much left. Like the gameplay is pretty much done, minus some small bugs, and we don't have too many UI screens left to make. Just this like leaderboard, and then we've got another stats view coming up, but not too much remaining. Yeah. We built out the shop too. Yeah, the shop is done, so that is good. Yeah, let me actually show that in the simulator. Yeah, here's the shop. Yeah, that's an alright time frame for something on the side. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I could make a much bigger project, but I'm worried like if I have like a 2 or 3 year project, like a really big project, then like, you run the risk of like, what if it doesn't like succeed? Then that's a pretty big risk. But for like the smaller apps like this, you spend like several months working on it, then it's like if it doesn't do as good as you expected, it's not so bad. Yeah. So we've got like this shop going on. Got little gems view too. Yeah. So you can do like little in-app purchases if you can like buy some stuff. Got like little in-app purchases. Yeah. It's you run the risk of like big projects. You gotta make sure it's really good. But yeah, I'm the type of person who like likes to make a bunch of smaller projects, but just have like many of them. Yeah. That way you kind of like spread out your luck. Yeah, I think I spammed the button too much. Yeah, we got a little shop stuff so you can like buy different weapons for your Yippee player, and different skins also. You can get some different skins. Yeah. It's going. It's going. Yeah, so right now we're working on this leaderboard. So eventually, once we press this leaderboard button, it should show kind of like what's in the back here. At least part of it. And then we've still got the stats to show. And then the settings. In the top right. There we have the game. So game is going. Yeah. Oh yeah, that time the background showed. Yeah, I know, it's a weird bug with the background sometimes. But yeah, we'll work out the little bugs, little kinks. We will work out the bugs. Yeah, I've got little different types of enemies. We've got the ranged ones and the melee ones. Yeah, sometimes they can hold little laser guns and stuff. But yeah, things are going good. Indeed. Yeah. Things are definitely going. That's for sure. Yeah. I'll close out of this one though. I think it's a bit, it's a little slow. Yeah, we'll close out of that one. Cool. But yeah, I think this leaderboard thing is mostly, the base of it is kind of looking pretty good. Oh yeah, I think I also wanted to add a little emoji here. So if you're like in first, second, or third place, I wanted to add little like medal next to the number. Yeah. So I think I'll do that. Let me add that code in. Yeah, so for that, I think what I'll do here is I will probably do a little image or something. Considering you're making it without any of those the game engine meme, it's impressive as is. Yeah, there's a lot more that goes on, I think, because I'm not using like Unity or something. There's a lot of, I don't know, this is some physics and stuff to keep in mind. Yeah. But yeah, definitely, I'd say, yeah, there's a lot of bugs though. That's for sure. Like, since I'm not using like Unity, there's a lot of, I'm using like this sprite kit framework. This is like kind of the 2D game framework in the Swift world. And it's a really old framework. Like, I think it came out like, I don't know, probably like 2014 or 16 or something. But it hasn't really been updated too much. Like, since like, I don't know, like probably like 6 years ago, they didn't really do much more. So there's some bugs in the framework, and there's a lot of stuff you kind of need to build from the ground up, like the hitboxes and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, it kind of makes the code a bit lengthy. Yeah, this file I've got is like 1,700 lines, and I'm like, ooh, how can I really organize it? But it's, yeah, so it's starting to become a little spaghetti. Some noodles to untangle in the code, that's for sure. Yeah. I have used SpriteKit for a while. Like, I used it back like in, I don't know, like 2017 or so. And so, yeah, I'm kind of like comfortable with it. So that's kind of what I stick with for these games. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, SpriteKit it's okay. It's alright. But yeah, honestly, I kind of want to learn something like Unity though. Because that way I can deploy my app to like Android also. Yeah, right now it's like just the SpriteKit and stuff. You only can do iOS, like iPhone. But I've been doing like iPhone for the longest time. That's kind of why I'm used to it. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. What have we got going on? I think there's a loading row down here. Yeah. And your next one, why not try Raylib's framework? It does have wrapper for Swift, but not updated. Oh, what is that? Raylib? Let me see. I actually haven't heard of that one. Let me see that one. Yeah, cause that could be cool. Cross-platform. Yeah, I'm looking this one up. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, so I see it's like cross-platform, kind of like game library. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, cool. Let me pull this one up. That sounds like a cool one. I haven't heard of this. Interesting. Yeah, this Raylib. Huh. Interesting. I see, so it's like, oh, this kind of reminds me, I think, of like Game Maker Studio. I've seen some, you can do like pixel art and stuff in it and make some stuff. Oh, neat. Oh, you could do this too? Oh, wait, actually, interesting. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, these are cool. Yeah, I might check this out, because this... Oh, this kind of even reminds me of, like, Swift, or the SpriteKit stuff. This is like a... There's like an SKS file in SpriteKit. It looks very similar to this. Yeah, actually, that might be good. I used it a while back to learn simple game programming in C#. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, that could be pretty good. Yeah, I want to build like some cross-platform apps for sure. Yeah, if there's something very similar to SpriteKit, which this kind of looks like it, then yeah, I might take a look at it, because my main worry was like that I have like no experience in it, so it might take a while to make an app, like much longer. But it looks kind of similar to what I'm used to, so maybe it'll kind of be quick to pick up. Yeah, that's cool. Cool. Yeah, I'll keep that bookmarked for sure. That's a good one. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, because SpriteKit, it's not, I mean, I would say it's not very ideal for, I don't know, you can make iOS games, but there's better options for sure. Yeah, definitely. I would say that for sure. Yeah, let's see, what is this? There's a bug here. Oh, yeah. Let me do this. Yeah. Yeah, I would say, yeah, SpriteKit is not like the best for making mobile games, that's for sure. Yeah, most people use like Unity or something. Or like, yeah, like kind of like that Raylib, or yeah, like a separate framework which publishes to multiple platforms like Android and iOS. Yeah. Yeah, I want to learn one of those, because that'll kind of double the market that I could publish my apps for. Yeah, because right now you kind of have to have an iPhone to play the Yippee game. But yeah, I'd like to eventually do some stuff on Android too. That would be pretty cool. Yeah. That would be pretty PogChamp. That's for sure. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this loading row to say something else at the bottom here. Oh, we've got an error. Can't force unwrap. Oh, wait, should this be optional, perhaps? Mayhaps, perhaps be. I'll take this out for now. Let's see if we can get a little bit of player data at the bottom here. Yeah, let's take a little gander. We shall see. Let's take a little... Ah, there we go. Got some data here. Cool. Oh wait, there's a bunch of zeros. But, well, we can do some formatting later. Yeah, let's see. And then... yeah, I wanna integrate this view in the tab view. Yeah, so let's do that. So we'll put like a leaderboard view here. This is kind of like the shop, and so I'll put like instead have a leaderboard view or leaderboard table view with all this data in here. Yeah, I'll have all this. That should be good. I will just set this to true. Cool. I don't know if we need the switch. Or no, we do, but we can just copy this over. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this looks. We shall see. If the thing can load, we shall see. Because... oh, I think there's a bug somewhere. Let's see. Where art thou, Mr. Bug? Oh. Cannot... oh, we need this constant. Constant true, because this should be binding. Yeah, there's some state stuff in SwiftUI. And we do a little bit of the binding. We do a little bit of binding. Cool. Ah, there we go. There's our leaderboard. Looks a little nice. But we'll do some fixing of the things. Yeah, looks pretty good. Cool. Yeah, we gotta fix a little bit of the sizes and stuff, but the kind of infrastructure's there. It's there. Yeah. Yeah, it's going. It's definitely going. The app is going indeed. Yeah, so that's kind of like this sub view. And then we want to put this one, this leaderboard tab view. We want to stick this inside our, I think, in our start view, probably. Yeah, way back at the start. So when we press the leaderboard button, it should show this. Yeah, let's see. Where do we have that? So I think this one. Yeah, so we need to have like a variable here, like show leaderboard view equals true. And then, yeah, the other ones we want to put to false. Yeah, so like we shouldn't be showing the shop. If we're showing the leaderboard, stuff like that. Yeah. That should be good. And then this one, we'll put false. Also this one. Yeah, I think that should be good. And then I guess I'll just add like an if here. Show leaderboard view. And then, yeah, we'll put like a leaderboard tab. Actually, shop tab view. Oh, okay. I think. Oh, I need another UI for the leaderboard. Yeah. So, yeah, where was I? I was on this. I need to make this variable. Yeah, we'll do that. Cool. Alrighty. Now these should go away. Oh, this should be show. Oh wait, what was this? Show leaderboard. I think there's just an extra G here. Yeah, there's an extra G. The top G. We need to remove that one. Alright, and then... oh yeah. Yeah, so this one I wanna make a new view called leaderboard view. And this will have that kind of leaderboard I was showing earlier, like this one. It'll have this, but with like some text on the top. Yeah. Yeah, you got that one, Emporium guy, top G. A little bit of an Andrew Tate reference in there. I kind of snuck that one in. Yeah, I'm not a big Mr. Top G fan myself, but yeah, he's I don't know. Sometimes he can be funny. Yeah. Oh, welcome, Boone. Yeah, long time no see. Yeah, the Yippee game is going. It's been a minute. Yeah, we've got like, I think pretty much the gameplay's done, minus a couple bugs. We got the shop done, and we're working on a leaderboard right now. Oh, yeah, we also got like, last stream we had like game over done. So we did like game over and pausing. But yeah, we've done a lot of things. Now I feel the sudden urge to make a top G meme. Yeah, make the memes. The memes are good. Yeah, there's always room for more memes. Indeed. Yeah, we like the memes around here. Yeah, such as many of the apps I've made based off of the memes. Yeah, there's still I've got some memes pending in the backlog for some new app ideas. So one of the app ideas I wanted to make was based off of like Epstein's Island. I wanted to make an Epstein Island app. Because there was a whole meme back. I think the list came out, and I think there was like Stephen Hawking went to Epstein's Island, and I was like, oh, maybe I should make like an Epstein Island app and put all the people who went to the island in the app as like a game. Yeah, that would definitely not get approved on the App Store, but it would be like one of those memes. Yeah, YouTube would not like that. Trust me, I've made some weirder apps. Yeah, we make some of the weird apps around here. Yeah, I made like yeah, I think the second app I made on stream was like an industrial society and its future quotes app. Yeah, that was a bit on the nose. But yeah, we like to do a little bit of the controversial, silly things around here. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, because if not us, then who will do such silly things? Gold and silver medals instead of numerical ratings is more interesting. Yeah, I actually was planning on doing that boon. Like, I was thinking maybe for like the 1, 2, and 3, I was gonna put like little, like the 1, 2, and 3 emojis next to them. Kind of like in my stream title, I have those 3 emojis. I was planning on doing that for like the first, second, and third place. Yeah, I think that would probably work better. Yeah. Or unless I made like some kind of general medal asset and put like a number inside of it. I don't know. Maybe. I think I will do the 1, 2, and 3 medal thing though. Yeah, actually, I'll do that now because I think that shouldn't be too bad to implement. But yeah, I was kind of thinking something like that. Yeah. Yeah. So I think for that, what I need to do is, yeah, like here, I need like an image system. I think it's like system name, I think. I need to use NS symbols. Or no, what was it called? I forgot the name of the app. SF symbols. Yeah, I need to use the symbols. There's a symbols program that Apple has for little emojis that you want to put in your app. And I can search this for the exact emoji that I want to do. Yeah, let me actually show this. I've got it open. This little SF symbols program. And we'll see if we can find some emojis that we can work with. Yeah, let me pull this one in. I'll pull it up, Jamie. The SF symbols. Yeah. Here we go. Boom. There we go. There's SF symbols. Let's see if we can find some emojis that we want. So I think there's like some medals probably. Oh, there's like metal, fill. Yeah, because this way we don't need to download an image off the interwebs or make our own image. We can use this as like a little emoji and we can color it the way we want. Yeah, so we'll do like this metal fill, I think. Oh, this one's in monochrome. Do they have the color versions? I wonder. Oh, maybe if they don't have the color ones, then we might not be able to do it. So it's like red. Okay, so I guess yellow will be like first place, and then it's like gray, second place. Oh, right, that's right, Boon. We can maybe just use the emoji asset itself too. We might not even need SF symbols, because in Swift you can embed emojis in your code. Maybe I can do that. Yeah, let me see, maybe instead of this SF symbols business, we can just kind of pull the Unicode for the actual emoji. I'm gonna see if I can copy it from your chat and see if I can put it in here. I don't know. I don't remember if it's an image or a text that I need to put it in. Let me see. So if I do this. Oh yeah, so I can put the. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'll use that. I'm gonna yoink the little symbols from your chat message, and I'm gonna put them in here. Yeah, because I think that will be good. And then we'll just have, like, I guess, like an if statement, like if we're first, second, or third, we show the right emoji. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll do that here, like as a switch statement, maybe. Like switch on what would it be? Leaderboard. Oh no, I think it'll be in item dot rank. Yeah, and we'll do little cases here. Default. I guess we don't have anything for default. Break. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, because in Swift you have to always have a default in your switch statements. Yeah, they're very strict about it. Yeah, so we'll do the little medals, little metal emojis in here. Yeah, so that should be good. Cool. Let's see if that kind of shows in our UI. I'm kind of worried about this default though. I don't know if that'll exactly work. Also, we're running into a bug somewhere. A hidden bug. Let's see. Where's this bug coming from? Let me try compiling on my simulator. It might tell us. Oh, okay. We've got, yeah, this is it's the bad error. It's the error where it's like, we don't know what the error is. Please submit a bug to us. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not a good error to get. Yeah, when Apple doesn't know. I feel like it's caused by this default though. Maybe we can figure it out. We can be our own investigator. Oh no, still this bug. So it only happened when I added this switch statement. So I think, yeah, maybe something with the emojis, perhaps. Yeah, I don't want to do a switch statement then, because I have to do this default. So I think I'm just gonna do like some if statement here. A giant if else. Yeah, I suppose so. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's only 3 cases, so I think we'll be okay. I think we will be a-okay. So yeah, because then you run into like if you get more than 3 cases, then I'm like, ooh, I'll see how to refactor this code. But I think this is okay. This should be all right. Yeah, I feel like it's that ooh, yeah, I feel like it's the default there that's doing the thing. So we'll fix the thing and then see if we get that weird bug. Yeah, so basically like show this if we have the right rank. Yeah, let's see. We shall see. Let's take a little gander. Also, I might need to restart the Xcode. It's doing a little weird preview thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little restart. We do a little bit of a restarting to fix the preview stuff. Yeah. Yep. We do a little bit of restarting around here. Sometimes the stuff breaks and you don't know why. Oh, actually, let me run this on simulator. Yeah, extension int var rank text string switch. Oh, yeah, we could probably run this on an extension too. Oh, wait, I think, okay, I just had an E here instead of an equal sign. Yeah, that would do it. That would definitely do it. Yeah, I think an extension would probably be better, because then I don't have like the actual if in the code. I just have like a function call. Yeah. Oh yeah, also this should be else if. Yeah. Yeah. Else if. Okay. I don't know why there's an error, but it's still loading. Okay, so this kind of works out. But I think probably we want like a little space, or like less space in between these two. Yeah. I like your idea, Boon, of doing like the extension on the int and having like a return like the emoji for the thing. Yeah. I like that. Although actually, oh yeah, we'll just do like an if statement then. Yeah, because I don't have the default in there. Yeah, so we'll do like an extension on int and then see what the rank is and return the right emoji string. Yeah, and then we'll just well, actually, because then we'll need to do something like this. We'll say like if item.rank is greater than 3, then show the text. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure how to go about it. Yeah, I might just stick with this then, because I think, yeah, at least because this way it won't render a view. Yeah. If the closure logic is too long, SwiftUI will throw an error. Oh, that's good to know, Boon. I didn't know that. I was running into this error before. I was like, what's going on? Because I was like, ooh, maybe Apple has no idea what the error is. Then I'm out of luck. But yeah, if it's just the closure logic is too big, then yeah, that makes sense. Because yeah, this for each thing was getting really big. I guess like the H stack. Yeah, I don't know, it'd actually be in the for each. So yeah, like this, if this is too big, yeah, it'll spell bad news for us. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's see. I want to decrease the space between the number and the emoji. Yeah, so I think, yeah, we've got like this H stack spacing 0 going on. Perhaps I can set this frame to be something small. Yeah, let's see. So if I set it to be like a really small thing, then maybe like even smaller. Yeah, we'll see if I can get some really tiny text. Oh, now it's chopping off our metal. Uh-oh. We've got like a little bite taken out of the gold metal there. Yeah, that's no good. Yeah, so we need to probably not put, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm wondering, let me do this little frame thing and see what's going on here. Okay, so that's how much space it's allocating for the emoji. Yeah, that's, okay, oh, that much. Okay. And then for this one, is it, oh, so that's where the problem is. This is like too much space. Yeah, so we need to make this smaller. Yeah, so probably just multiply this by a smaller number, I think. Maybe make this like a 4. Yeah, I think so. I think that kind of works out. Yeah, I think so. Although I kind of want to align them kind of vertically. Yeah, so we'll do some of that too. So far, this is looking alright, I would say. Yeah. Text font system size 80. Oh, should I make it bigger? I could do that. Probably. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. So, what does it look like when it's bigger? System size. If I made it like 80. That might be a bit too big. Oh wait, I don't know. I do kind of like that though. When it's like pretty big. Yeah. Also, I do want to make this number bold. Let me add this font weight on this. Let's make it a semi-bold. Yeah. Oh, wait, did that change anything? Oh no, because I think we're using a custom font here. Right, so I think I need to do this system dot system, and then it'll apply the bold. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Let's see. Ah, yeah, now it's bold. Okay. Yeah, because I kind of like having the number bold. I don't know. We'll play with it. We'll play with it a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. I think big emoji is cool. Although I don't want it to take so much space. Yeah, because like then you can only see like the next like 3 people below them. Maybe like 30 or 20. But then 20 is a bit too small. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah. And then as we do, we use our iPad variable to adjust our font size. If it's an iPad, then we want the font to be a little bigger. Yeah. As we do. But yeah, ideally I want this 4 to kind of fall in between the metal and the number here. Because right now it's kind of on the side by itself. Also, yeah, this 7 at the bottom here should be bold as well. Let me make that one bold. Yeah, I think where am I showing that? I think it's under this like player data thing, and then the thing here. Yeah, let me copy this code that I added, these 2 lines, and we'll put it here. That should be good. Now the 7 should kind of be bold. Cool. Yeah, this is bold now. All right. So how do we want to like get this 4 to kind of go beneath, or like at least in between this emoji and the 3 there? So I have an idea. That might work. I might put an extra H stack around these 2 things and center them. Let's see. Let us see if that is a good idea. So here's an H stack. We'll give it no spacing. And then we'll put spacers around this. Yeah. It might push everything though, that's what I'm worried about. Okay, so it centered it, but it's like, it's pushing everything to one side. Yeah, ideally I don't want it to really push all that much. I could, instead of spacers, I could also do this. I could do this whole frame max width infinity thing, which kind of achieves the same effect. Frame dot infinity. Yeah, like this. Okay. And then, well, I guess that's kind of the same thing, but I'm not sure how to like... Yeah, I'd rather have like the spacers, because then I can put a frame on these spacers. Yeah, we do a little tweaking of the numbers and things around here. And then the things work. So we'll do the things, a little tweaking of the things. Yeah. Let's see. So okay, so it's back to where it kind of was. Yeah, let's see. So if I maybe make this number smaller. Okay. So I need to like center it somehow inside the H stack. There's like an alignment parameter on V stack, but not on H stack for centering things. Yeah. This might be an interesting problem. Let's think. We put on our thinking caps and do some thinking emoticons. Let's see. So this works, at least for getting the 4 in between the 3, like the middle, and the number. But then, so what if I take out a spacer? Is that okay? Yeah, so I need both of these, but I just need them to be smaller. Yeah, so we'll do a little bit of tweaking of the things. So if I put a frame on one of these, that's no good. That's a good idea, Boone, to put an emoji and then just make it invisible. I suppose that could... It'll align it with the 3 though. I guess... So I was thinking maybe we could have them centered like this, but I think having the numbers aligned underneath could also work. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe like... Yeah. So that way we could use a switch statement instead of this if-else. And we could have a default case for the invisible symbol. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think I'll go with that, Boone. Because I like switch statements more than if-elses. I'm a bit biased. Yeah, we'll do the thing. So we'll say case. We'll do all this. Yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks for that idea. I'm gonna put it in. Most appreciated. We will do the thing. Yeah, because that way, like, it doesn't look... Like, I don't need it centered. It can go under the number. And that should be alright. Yeah. Yeah. We can have an invisible metal emoji. Yeah, I don't think that looks so bad. I think that's okay. Yeah, I think that's alright. Yeah. That makes more sense. Cool. Alright. That works out pretty well. I'm also tempted to kind of add like a bunch more data here, just to see how it looks with scrolling. Yeah. Let's see. We'll have many My Name Jeffs in the leaderboard. Cool. Alright. Although maybe I should have the invisible... Oh, you know what? I should also include this emoji down in this, like, player data row. I should have the same thing. Yeah. I'll do that. So let me... I guess... I should make this because I'm gonna copy this logic. I don't want to duplicate this code. How would I go about that? Can I do, like, a function to return a view? I think I'll do that. Yeah, let me do that, actually. Let's see, like, I can do a function to a private func get... what should I call this? Like, get... rank text and metal, and this will return a view, and we'll pass in our rank here, and then we can just do this, and we'll just return this. Yeah, I think so. I think that'll be fine. Yeah, because then we're just gonna copy this code, so might as well make a function, so we don't gotta copy the whole thing. Yeah, I guess we also want to pass in our isIPad in here. That can be fine. Some view. Oh, is that how you gotta do it? I've never made a function to return a view, so yeah, I think that'll probably work. Yeah. Thanks, Boone. Yeah, I think that should work. And we'll get rid of this. Let's let's see. I think this should kind of get rid of our errors if it's... oh, any view. Interesting. Yeah, I've never done this whole function return a view thing. Let's see. Use this protocol view. Replace view with any view. Oh, I think it's... Let me do a product clean. It's lagging a bit. We'll do a little bit of product clean. Yeah, hopefully this should go away. I think so. I think it went away. So now we can do this. Or... Well, I guess since this is returning a view, this should be called, like... rank text and metal view. Yeah, VStack switch. I think we might... So a VStack like around this? Yeah. Oh no, I think we're good. I think this got rid of the bug. Yeah. And actually, now that I think of it, since this is like returning a view, I could technically just do this. I didn't really think about that. I could just make this an actual like view and just put the logic in there. Yeah, I think so. So I could do something like this, like struct metal and rank text, and I could make this a view. Yeah, because technically, like returning a view from a function is kind of the same as like this var body thing. So I could maybe just make this a view here. Like I'll say like var rank should be an int, and then we'll have the var body for the sum view to conform to that view protocol. Yeah, I think so, Boon. This kind of works out like this too. Yeah, and then we don't have to do this like return stuff. We can just treat it like a view. Because that's what it is. It's a view. Yep. We'll do the thing, and then that should be a little better, I think. Down with our loading row, we have this. Cool. I don't know if this should be a state variable. Maybe. We'll come back to that. Well, we'll have this metal and rank now. Yeah, so now instead of all this, what we can do is... actually, this should just be return struct metal text, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Or metal for rank? Because, yeah, you need to pass in a rank. Yeah. Now I can just take this out and put this. And that should work the same. Cool. Now let's reload our preview and see if our... Oh, no, we have an error. Let's see, where's our error coming from? Or let me try running this in the simulator again. It might be one of those, the closure's too big. Oh, we have an extra squiggly. Yeah, that would do it. We don't like extra squigglies. They make the code red. We don't like that. Yeah, let's take it out. And then we run this. And then oh yeah, we forgot our switch text. Ooh, that's unfortunate. And now we have it back. So that should be good. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, where did that go? I must have cut and paste wrong. Yeah. Okay, I think that should be... Oh, expected expression. Oh, right, we need to switch on the rank too. Yeah, switch rank. That's right, Boon. We also need to pass the is iPad in here as well. Because we need to adjust our font size if we're on iPad. Yeah, and then we need to pass that in here. Cool. I think we're good now. I think so. And then let's run this again on the preview to build it. And then run the simulator to build it, and then we do this. we do the things. And now we should get what we had before. But now the benefit is we have this view now. So now we can, for our little row down here, we can do the same thing. Yeah, that should be good. So we can have this. Medal for rank, and it should kind of move it. Oh, and also this should be a player data dot rank. Yeah, there we go. That should be fine. Oh, but it pushed it a little bit. It's a little off-center. I think our spacing is a bit... Oh, because I think I adjusted this 0.08 to smaller... Yeah, it's 0.04 now. Yeah. I think that would have been kind of hard to find if I didn't remember. Yeah. Okay, now it's kind of aligned. Cool. So now if our player data was like in first place, like this is like our score. It's like if we're rank 1, we should get a little medal now in the bottom row. Let's see. Cool. Yeah, that's good. This is good. Very nice. Alright. So, I think that's this kind of view mostly done, minus this like, there's a bunch of zeros, but that we can, I mean, yeah, we can do the thing probably later for that. But I want to see how this looks in the leaderboard view. So let me actually make a leaderboard view under here. We'll make a new file. We'll call it leaderboard view. Oh, wait, looks like we already have that file. Oh, yeah, I did make this file. I didn't put anything in it. So, yeah, we'll put some stuff in here. Kind of similar to the shop view, basically. Well, I can actually just copy this. And then, yeah, we'll just adjust it for the leaderboard. Yeah, it should be alright. So, I don't know why I had this. I think it's fine. Yeah, we'll copy over it. And then, yeah, we should start making our leaderboard now. That should be pretty nice. I guess we want like a show leaderboard variable here, probably. Yeah, let's see, what are we missing here? This should also be leaderboard view previews. Yeah, so we're missing some parameters here. Show shop view, show start view. Constant false. Constant false. I guess we also need, yeah, show leaderboard view. This should be true. Probably. Yeah. We do the things. Yep. As we do when we copy code, we just change what we don't need and add what we need. Such is the way of the copy-paste. Yeah. I think we cannot infer contextual-based constant theorem. Hold on a minute. Oh, I think it's just this show leaderboard. Yeah, we need to add this inside our thing here. Yeah. Cool. This should be alright. And then, yeah, I guess that's that. So it'll show the shop, but we will modify this to be the leaderboard. Yeah, so we can keep this background and this button here to go back. But we modified this shop text to be this new leaderboard text. I made this asset like yesterday. So this should look a little nice. Leaderboard text. Cool. It needs to be a bit wider. It's a bit shrunk. So we'll make it a little bit wider. Maybe like 2. Oh yeah, I think that's nice, I think. I don't know, I kind of want to rotate it a little bit. Maybe I'll do that later. I know, I'm a bit, what's the word? Pedantic about the images. Yeah. Now we'll do a little bit of the changing of the things probably later. I don't know. I think it looks okay. Yeah. So then what goes below this leaderboard text? That's our leaderboard. That's what goes below there. So let's put our leaderboard in there. Oh yeah, it's also got the number of rubies in the top right. We don't need that. This ain't the shop. So we need our leaderboard tab view here. Yes, that's what we need. No longer the shop, but our leaderboard. Yeah. So I don't know what we put for these numbers. I think it should be the same as the shop. So let me refer the shop view for those numbers. We've got like 10 here. I guess we can just copy that code we had and just change the shop tab view to leaderboard tab view. Cool. Let's see if this works. Oh, nice. Alright. There's our leaderboard. I'll have different ones too. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I gotta think about this. I feel like we can change some things a little bit. Like probably put some different color for some of the rows maybe. Or maybe have this whole thing be like a different color. I think so. Probably. Yeah, leaderboard's looking pretty nice. Yeah, I think the base structures here. Just some small, like, probably color changes, I think. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know if we want to make, like, the rows, like, alternating colors. I know sometimes people do that for, like, if you're, like, colorblind, they kind of make the rows alternating colors. Reminds me of, like, a Scantron back in the school days. I don't know if we want to do that here. Maybe. Maybe. Perhaps? Perhaps. I don't know. I gotta, like, mull on this. Let me think about it. I'm not too much of a design guy. So I gotta, like... I don't know. To me, I'm like, oh, this is, like, good enough. But then it looks weird. But then I'm like, I'm not sure what to change to make it look better. But I know something needs to change. Yeah. Maybe there should be more space in between this total points and like the metal here. Perhaps. Maybe. Maybe. I'm gonna see what it looks like with alternating row colors. I'll just do a little check and see. So we'll go into our leaderboard table view. Yeah, because I don't know. I don't really plan out the UI. I don't really do a whole bunch of UI mockups before I do the UI. I'm just like, I've got like a vague picture in my brain, and we'll just do the thing. And if we need to change it, we'll just do it on the fly. Why not? Yeah, we don't do a lot of planning around here. Flat color. Oh, yeah, like one color. Perhaps. Yeah, maybe I could do like a light yellow. What if I just made it like a light yellow? Maybe. For like our leaderboard view, so like I kind of want the tabs to be a different color than this section here and this bottom row. So yeah, what if I made it like a lighter yellow? Maybe. Maybe. I think that could maybe work. Yeah, let me bring out the old color palette, the color picker, and see. So I've got all the colors defined in this constants file, I think. I think so. Yeah, we've got all our colors here. We've got different shades of yellow. So maybe we want to do like a lighter one. Material UI co flat UI colors. Oh, I haven't seen this. Thanks, Spoon. Let me check. Maybe. Oh, is this like? Oh, this must be like some constant list of colors that people have decided is very nice. I'm guessing that's what this is. Sunflower. Ooh, I want like sunflower, but lighter. I think. Yeah. I've copied. Oh, I've got the hex code on my clipboard. Let me see if I can get this color, but like a bit lighter. I'm thinking. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the Google color picker, and see if I can get a slightly lighter value. But kind of in the same range. Okay, I'm gonna try this. So we'll add a static light yellow color. We'll do our RGBs here. Yeah. And here's what I'm gonna pull just for testing. I've got a lighter yellow here that I'm looking at. And we'll see if this looks good. Yeah. Oh, welcome, Foundry. Yo, first time viewer, are you going engineless for this game? This looks awesome. Yeah, I'm going engineless. Yeah, we're doing a Yippee mobile game all written in SpriteKit in native iOS code. Yeah, I've never actually built a game in an engine before. I kind of want to learn like an engine like Unity or Unreal, but yeah, all the games I've built have been kind of like in Swift. I'm using like this SpriteKit framework. Like Apple has this framework for building some games, and yeah, I'm using this. Yeah, it's got its ups and downs, but and there's definitely better options for building iOS games. But I've been doing that the longest, so that's kind of why I go with that. But yeah, this is engineless. We're doing this all natively. Yeah. Yeah. Also, yeah. Let me switch up the background here. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the raid, Foundry. Welcome, raiders. Welcome. Yeah, we're doing some native iOS development here. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, let me kind of show what the game looks like in the preview. Yeah, because we've got some good stuff going on. We got some pretty pogger things going on. We got some different like views here too. We got like little shop view and the stuff. It's pretty good. We've got some good things going. Yeah. So here's kind of like what it looks like mainly in the whatchamacallit simulator. So we've got this going on here. You can see some remnants of some other apps. Yeah, welcome. Here's kind of the Yippee mobile game we're making. Yeah, we're running this in the iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, so we've got this is kind of like where it lands on. It's called Adventures of Yippee, the Yippist, a mobile game based off of the little Yippee creature there. I've got like a pinned video for some context of what a Yippee is. It's kind of based off of this little Yippee meme. But yeah, we've got some good stuff going on. So like we've got this shop going on, where you can buy some different skins. Yeah, welcome, Funstun. Yeah, we got little skins, little Yippee skins you can buy, and you can buy for different like ruby amounts. Got little different colors of Yippies you can buy. Some special skins like this cosmic one. It's like a little Yippee from outer space. I've got little upgrades too. So in the game, you have like a melee or a ranged weapon. So you start off with like a stick or a slingshot, and you can upgrade to different ones like a bat or a sword, or you can get like a bow or a ray gun. This looks great. Thanks, Funstun. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, we got some good stuff going on here. Yeah, eventually my plan is to get it on the App Store. I'd probably say maybe like, I don't know, like 1 or 2 months left to. I'm expecting it to come out around that time. Yeah, if you did it for Android, would you have to do it in Kotlin? Yeah, I'd do it in either like Kotlin or Java. But I've never built an Android app, so that would be like pretty new to me. But yeah, since it's native iOS, like yeah, I'd need like another code base to make it an Android. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's kind of why I want to learn like Unity or Unreal or something, because you can just build like a C# or C++ code base and deploy to like multiple like phones. And yeah, right now this is just gonna be for like a iPhone and iPad. Yeah, but I love my Android users too. I have no hate for the Samsung and Android phone users. You don't need to learn anything. You're insane. I appreciate that, Foundry. Yeah, I'm big noob. Standalone dev is so advanced. Oh, I appreciate that, man. I'm a big noob. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, this is pretty newbie. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs we still need to fix, but I appreciate the kind words. Yeah, we got some good shop stuff going on, and we've also got like some in-app purchases too. So you can buy like different like rubies if you don't want to farm them in the game. You can spend real greenbacks on the currency, so you can like say I want like 110 rubies, I can get like a little in-app purchase to buy some rubies. Yeah, and then this stream I was actually working on the leaderboard. Yeah, I guess it's not showing right now because it's still under development, but yeah, that's we're doing the leaderboard right now. Eventually I'm gonna do this little stats view and settings view, and we've got the game as well. There's a bug right now with the background. It'll flash a bit. But yeah, ideally there's like a background, and you've got little enemies that spawn. You can like kind of shoot them with little arrows and stuff. You can jump around. You got the camera to follow. You can like pause and unpause and restart the game, and the like. You can swing your weapon at the little yippee enemies. Yeah, ignore the background. Sorry if it's like flashing a bunch. I don't know. There's like I noticed this bug today, but we'll do a little bit of the fixing of the bugs, and yeah, it'll work too. Got some like yeah. Well, yeah, we got little bugs going on, but we got little structures too, like this little bridge here, things like that. Yeah, and if you like die, it'll show like a little game over, and it'll show you like how many points you've got from defeating the enemies, and the distance you've traveled, and how many enemies you've defeated. Yeah, you can also like always start the game again. Oh yeah, I guess I gotta update the number. Yeah, there's like some little bugs going on, but yeah, we do a little tweaking of the bugs, and we got the things working on it. Looks awesome. How long have you been working on it? Yeah, probably since like late January, I'd say I started it. So probably around like the 4-month mark. So yeah, we've got like some gameplay going on and some UIs too. But yeah, I'm thinking probably it'll take a couple more, like probably like 1 or 2 more months. I'm thinking, and we'll get it for sure. Should be pretty good. Yeah. But yeah, we're probably around like the 4-month mark, I would say. Yeah. But yeah, this is like the first time I'm building like a platformer, like having the whole like camera follow the player and stuff like that, and doing all this like physics stuff. Yeah, takes a little bit of time to get the brain to wrap around it. But yeah, we'll do the thing. Side note, love your Twitch tags. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I'm not very political, but I like the big memes, and yeah, we get the we like the meme tags around here. Yeah, we do the big memes around here. Yeah, in fact, like a lot of the apps that I've made are based around memes. Yeah, so this Yippee app, it's like the first one I'm like putting on the App Store from like the ones that I made. But normally the apps that I make are like, they take like 1 to 2 streams or like 3 streams, and they're based off of like a meme. So I've got a couple like different meme apps that I've made. Yeah. Have you done any game jams? I haven't done any game jams actually. Yeah, they do sound pretty fun. Like I know like Pirate Software. I think he hosts some. I think I kind of want to try that one time. But yeah, those look pretty cool. I've done a bunch of like hackathons though, but never like the game jams I know run longer. They're like a week or like a month or a couple months. I've done some hackathons though. Yeah. The game jams are pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, usually because art takes longer. Right, yeah, art takes quite a bit of time. Yeah. We'll reach out when something comes up. Yeah, let me know, because yeah, there's some good stuff out there. Yeah, because I like a lot of hackathons. I've been to like quite a bit, and I feel like it has like the same kind of energy, where you're building something small in a short time frame, and then yeah, you make the good things. Yeah. It's always fun to build little things. Yeah, like I really enjoy like mobile dev, and so like any kind of setting is fun. Yeah, we got a lot of like leaderboard stuff going on this stream. Like we've got, we kind of did like all of this stream. Yeah, so you got little medals for like first, second, and third. This is all static data though. Yeah, I'm actually eventually gonna integrate this with the game center. So, yeah, right now it's using like these constant data, but eventually it's gonna be like a game center leaderboard. Yeah, I'm actually still pending like my developer account approval to actually integrate it to game center. I put in a request yesterday. But yeah, hopefully that should be up and ready for tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, well, it's like 2:30 in the morning. Gotta crash. Will 100% check out the dev again. Hey, yeah, appreciate it, Funstone. I hope you have a nice night. Very good sleep. It's nice having you. As well as you too, Foundry. Yeah, welcome everybody. Yeah, good luck and Def will tune again sometime and see how things are going. Hey, appreciate it. Yeah, we'll be around working on the Yippee mobile games for sure. And some other stuff too, for sure. Yeah, I hope you have a nice night and a nice weekend as well. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's see. What have we got going on? I wanted to change up this leaderboard UI a little bit. Because right now it's all like one color. Like it's all the same yellow. So I was thinking maybe to kind of make it like a lighter yellow. Like I've got this light yellow I just made. So I'm going to try and see if I can make the little table part a different yellow. If it looks a little nicer, I think. Yeah, let's see. So I think I've got some code here. I could probably change this one. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know if that looks better. It's a bit, I don't know. I thought that yellow might look nice, but now I'm like, ooh, I don't know. It's popping out at me. It's popping out at me a bit. Yeah, let's see. I don't know. It looks like my leaderboard got a suntan. Yeah, okay. I gotta change the colors a little bit. I gotta change it a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, what else do we want to change here? In here... Yeah, so we'll change it back, but let's see what colors we want to do. So I thought maybe like alternating row colors might also work. What if I give like every second row that color? I think it won't look so bad. Or maybe just like a slightly darker yellow, I think. Let's see. So we've got... so here's the rectangle for this. Yeah, so we'll do a little bit of changing of the things and see how it goes. Yeah, so I think we gotta figure out like... Okay, so I think it's coloring the entire thing. It's not coloring each row. Yeah. So we gotta... If we want to change each row, we gotta like color part of it. Yeah, right now it's putting like, say if I put like a dark yellow here, it would do the whole thing, I think. Yeah. So we gotta kind of adjust our UI a little bit so that we just color a little part of it. Yeah. So, let's see. What do we want to do here? How about we can take out this rectangle, I think. Let's see. I'm actually not sure what'll happen if I do that. Okay, now we got this. So we could apply the color in our table view here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. So then we can put like that kind of row thing that we had here. This like rectangle stuff. We can put like a little whatchamacallit, a little background here. Yeah, I think that should be pretty nice. Cool, cool, cool. All right. And then, let's see. So, I think, or probably, yeah, I think that's a good place to put it. Yeah. So I think, oh, we're running into a little bug here. Let's see. Where's our bug? Oh, some undefined variables. Yes. We'll get these variables back. Actually, yeah, so we don't want corner radius. Yeah, so I guess we just want like yeah, just like the size that we need. So whatever size we had on here, this one. Yeah, so I think we'll do this. We'll put this size. And then, yeah, we'll see how it looks. If we can get like the kind of color per row kind of thing going on. Yeah. Oh wait, gotta copy this. And then, yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a little gander and see. Let us see what we're working with. So, oh, cannot be used on. Oh, interesting. Okay, I think we need to put this elsewhere. Probably on the H stack. That's what I'm thinking. Like here. Probably. Yep. Okay. Cool. And now we just need to make it wider because it's pretty tiny. Yeah. So what's the right width for this? Here, I'm gonna set this to be like a, I don't know, like a 1? What if I make this a 1? Is that like the whole thing? Okay. That's okay. Oh no, wait, there's still some padding in between. Yeah, okay. So I need to put this before the padding. Or like after. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's better. And now we can do the whole like alternating row colors stuff. Yeah. Actually, I think this should go here. I think so. Yeah. Now let's see. Let's see if we can do like a little if statement here to kind of switch the color based on the index. Yeah. That is what I am thinking. So like, index mod, where's the, there. So if we make this a 0, then we want this color. Otherwise, a light yellow. Yeah, let's see if this kind of works. I'm not sure if index is available here though. Yeah, it might not be. I'm gonna compile and see. We do a little bit of compiling and seeing if the things work. Rectangle. Oh, I did this backwards. Yeah, that's right, Buna. I did it backwards. I was like, oh, what's going on there? Yeah, it should be the ternary with the question mark and then the colon. Yeah, let's see. So I think now it should be good. Yeah, okay, so build succeeds. So if I undo my preview, let's see. Does it alternate? We shall see. Cool. Yeah, I don't know if that's like better for the leaderboard. Maybe? I don't know. I think some apps do that, where they have like a leaderboard and each row is like a different color. Or like alternating colors. I don't know. It kind of looks nice. I think so. Yeah, let's take a look at how it looks like in the actual leaderboard. Oh, of course, like I haven't put a color on the bottom row yet, but it looks kind of nice. I think so. Oh, but then I see, look at that. There's like, if I pull it down, it's mostly done. We getting there, Emporium guy. We getting there. Oh yeah, progress is going on quite fast though. Yeah, I think on account of us using the same code as our shop, like we're able to make the leaderboard so quickly. And also because I've built a leaderboard before in another app, so I just had to yoink the code and do some modifications. But yeah, we're definitely getting there, that's for sure. We getting there. Yeah, let's color this bottom row and then figure out how we can, if we pull this down so it doesn't like show the background behind it, like maybe like a solid yellow or something we want there. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So I think I actually know how to fix that probably. Yeah, let me see. I think I'll add this code back. And I'll see if it kind of does what I think it does. Yeah, so now if I pull this down, yeah, now it's like the yellow's behind it. So it wouldn't show like the background. Cool. I think that's good. What was I gonna do next? I was gonna make this bottom row a solid yellow. But it kind of already is when I added this code back. So maybe that's all I need. Yeah. Although, I don't know, because it's coloring the row based on this color and not the color from this view. So I kind of want to add the code in both places, just in case I ever want to change it in the future. Yeah, so I'll do this. I'll just add this here. And then we won't make it like the ternary. We'll just make it like a solid dark yellow, I think. Yeah, that way in this preview it should kind of show up, not like invisible. Oh, also I think we might have added an extra squiggly somewhere. Let's see. So if I copy this, oh yeah, there's an extra squiggly here. Yeah, we get rid of the extra squigglies. We don't like the red code. Yeah, so hopefully, let's see. If I rebuild this, oh, okay, the index. Yeah, so we take out this ternary. Yeah. Cool. Maybe try gradient color with opacity float divided by rank. Oh, that could be interesting. That's an interesting idea, Voon. So like have the top one be like the darkest or something, or the lightest, and then it goes darker towards the bottom. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. I wonder. That could be pretty cool. I'm tempted to test that. I think I'll test that. That sounds like an interesting idea. Yeah, so we have like the top row be the darkest shade of yellow. And then as we scroll down our list, then we see like lighter shades or vice versa or something. Yeah. That could be interesting. Yeah. Let me try that. I'm not sure like what I would need to divide. Would it be like the R in RGB? I'm looking. I think it's the B. I need to divide the B and keep the same R and G to do that. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. So yeah, so instead of this code, to do that, I would need to do, if I bring back the color that I had, I think it was, let's use the dark yellow, or this yellow, and we'll do the whole dividing of the B. Isn't that right? I think the B. We need to divide. Here, I'm checking the color picker on the Googles. I'm seeing how the thing affects the thing. Oh, I think we could multiply it, so we need to increase that value. Yeah, up to 255. Yeah, so we need to make it like a function of 255, like lock it in that range. Yeah, so let's see. If we go back to our code here, yeah, I guess we wouldn't have this ternary then. It would just be like a gradient. And then we need to increase this blue up to 255 based on the rank. So, and let's say we want to show like 100 people in the list or something. Yeah, I guess it would be based on leaderboard data.count. Yeah, as you mentioned, like items.count. That's right, Boone. It would be based on the items.count. Yeah. So let's say we actually, so the item comes from leaderboard data. So yeah, we'll do the leaderboard data count. Yeah, it should be pretty cool, I think. So where was it? It was here. Yeah, so instead of 32 here, we'll do like I guess like something plus 32 divided by 255, some function of the count of leaderboard data. Yeah, I guess maybe this divided by 255. I'm not sure actually. Let's see. What does this look like? What does it look like? Oh, maybe, I don't know if it's taking too long to load, if it's like too complex of an expression. Let's see. I'm running the simulator to see if we get any bugs. Let's take a gander. So, if I run this, let's see. It might be a minute. It might be, I don't know if it's like too big a calculation. We're doing a lot of adding and dividing in here. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a little look. Also, one moment, I'm gonna get a little bit of water. We do a little water break. Alright, we good. Yeah, so it looks like this expression is too big, too complex. So I need to like outsource this calculation, I think. Maybe, I don't know. I can't really outsource it. Let me think. So this is leaderboard count divided by 255. What if I just take out this division? Maybe it's a slightly smaller expression. Let's see. Let us see. So, yeah, it might be too much math to do. Yeah, sometimes if you have like a lot of math on one line, then the compiler can't do it fast enough in time to compile. Yeah, sometimes the computer brain has to do a little bit of thinking before it can show the thing. And sometimes the thinking is too much. Yeah. So maybe, let's see, how else can I do like a variable in here? Like var blue color. I don't know if I can do variables inside this. Maybe. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Let me let me see if I can put this up here, maybe. Like inside the 4 each. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, actually, this should be index, right? This should be index, not leaderboard count. It should be a function of the index. Let's just say index here then. Var blue color. And then let's put blue color here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Maybe this whole thing divided by 255. Let's see. Does our math check out? No, it's still too much of an expression. Okay. Is there any way we can kind of make this what's ever inside this 4 each loop smaller? Oh, wait, no, it's working now. Okay, I think it was just out of date. Yeah, I think my computer's a bit slow. Let's see. So what's it erroring out on? Let me take a look. There's like, I think it's some... It has an extra parentheses somewhere. Oh, no, it's a lack of one. Yes, so now we add this back. Let order equal float item rank divided by float leaderboard count. UI color hue. Oh, interesting. Oh, with the different hue. Oh, interesting. So that would be for like the blue color? I guess so. Or no, because this has UI color in it. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you're saying, Boone. Yeah, let me try that. I think that might work nicer. Yeah. Let's see. So, that's like 2 different variables. Yeah. It looks like it's able to compile this in time. I'm gonna copy this code that you sent me, Boone, and I'm gonna check it out. So we have let order here. Okay, so there's like let order equals float the rank, and then you've got the count of the leaderboard. Oh, and then you use the color with the order. I see. Yeah, let me see. So if I did a fill of that with the hue, let us take a little gander. Let's take a little look-see. It might... I don't know if it's doing the whole too big a calculation thing again. Let's see. Oh, you have to cast UI color to color. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's see. So you cannot convert. Missing alpha. Fill require UI color to conform to shape style. Okay. I think I'm missing like an alpha parameter. Oh, there's a brightness parameter. Interesting. I haven't worked that much with UI color. Yeah, I didn't even know that you could adjust the brightness and stuff. Yeah, so I think yeah, I think that's right, Boone. We need to make this order siege float. Yeah. Or no, it's asking for a double. Maybe, can I cast a float into a double? That should be fine, right? Because it's not like... I think it's bad if you cast a double into a float, but not the other way around. In terms of like size of the memory and stuff. Yeah. Let's see, so if I compile this, let's take a little gander if this is good. Okay. So that compiled, so I should be able to run this preview now. Let's see. Instead of we getting the black color. Ooh. Okay, I like that, Boone. I like that. I think we gotta invert the colors and maybe change the hue a little bit. But I like this idea of having like and probably like invert the order. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. That is a good thing. Yeah, so I think we wanna probably do like maybe 1 divided by this? Is that how that works? Oh no, it looks like it's 2. I'm not sure what is order bounded between. Is this like 0 to 1? Yeah, this is a good suggestion. Yeah. It's like having like the number 1 spot. Oh, 1 minus. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, where did I change that? Here. Yeah, so we'll do like 1 minus this. Yeah, and then maybe change the... Yeah, so this is based off of a hue. Is there another constructor we can use, like an RGB? I guess I'm not super familiar with hue. Oh, so this is like, okay. Because you can do colors with RGB, but you can do with the HSV. I think that's what this is, yeah. Hue, saturation, and then I guess like brightness. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, so we'll... Okay, so this is for brightness. Let me think. So let's look at this calculation that you sent over. So we've got the rank divided by the count. Okay, so that's just like, okay. And then, oh, I see. So it goes down to 0. That's why this is completely black. So we need it to be, yeah, RGB to hue. Maybe you can Google it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because I've got the RGB in mind. And I think I just need to change this to be the blue and the RGB the same calculation. Yeah. So let me get this color. So we have this yellow here, and we'll just we'll do the thing. We'll do the thing. We'll adjust this fill color to be kind of like this. So yeah, let me comment this out and see if maybe I can like I don't know. So the red needs to be, actually, is this the right color? Oh yeah, I think so. So we'll make this like red 1. Saturation will be, or well, this will be the RGB. Oh, order equals 0.3 plus order times 1 minus 0.3. Oh, is that like, oh, because then you're not, the lowest value you can have won't be 0 anymore. It'll be 0.3. I see what you're saying. Yeah, so it'll be like, it won't be black at the bottom. It'll be a dark yellow. Let's see. So order equals, oh, yeah, that'll be like here. Order equals 0.3 plus order times 1 minus 0.3. Let's see. Does it let us do calculations in here? Oh, I think I have to like compile in my simulator each time. Oh no, this is a var. Yeah, this should be, okay, I think that's why. I'm like, what's going on? Yeah. No exact wait a minute. Yeah. What is this bug? Oh. Yeah, so we can't do calculations in here. We have to like do this as part of this calculation. So we need to do this. We need to say like this and then that, I think. Yeah, let's see. Let's take a little gander. We're going back to math class. Let's see. So, oh, I might need to compile on my simulator again to get it to load. It's a bit slow sometimes. Yeah. We'll do a little bit of simulator compilation. I also need to close some stuff in the background. I've got a bunch of stuff open. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, so I think this math expression is too big. Here's what I can do. Here's what I can do. I can say var updated order. That way it's like broken up into different expressions. And I can do this. Yeah, let's see. See if that's better. We shall see. Okay, so that updated. Oh, it's slightly darker. Maybe... Oh, do I need this here? Oh, there we go. Cool. Maybe... Oh, but then the 1 minus should be there. I think. To make it inverted. But the top is slightly darker. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, because I like the bottom being this light yellow. Or maybe like a darker one, but kind of like the orange yellow. But at least this is inverted, I think. Yeah. Let's see. I kind of want to use the RGB. I'll see if I can switch this over to the RGB. But keep kind of the same calculation, I think. Yeah, and I'll test it with the 1 minus taken away. See this. Oh, you're saying let order equal float leaderboard data count minus item rank. Okay. Oh, so that'll be the count. Oh, okay, so that'll be like a fraction of the leaderboard count. Okay. I see. Oh, so instead of... Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying. So it'll fix that, like... It's backwards right now. This is gonna make it, like, the other way. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I think the bottom... We need a... So that'll give it the upper bound. We need, like, a lower bound. Yeah. I guess... how would I make this have, like, a lower bound of, like, not 0? Because I think if we add more things here, it'll go all the way to 0. And eventually I want this leaderboard to go down to, like, 100 users. So... Yeah, maybe something like this. Oh, and even adding more adds, like, some color. Let's see. So... Yeah. Let's see with, like, more entries in our leaderboard. What effects this has. Yeah, because I don't know, if there's like 100 things in here, maybe I want to do just like 50. Because if it's like too many, then the color change won't be super noticeable. Yeah, it's already starting to get kind of like not super noticeable. Well, let me copy this a bunch and see more. Because, like, let's say we have like 50 entries. If it's like a bunch. Oh, my thing went away. Yeah. Fortunately, I know the keyboard shortcut for it. Yeah, it's Command Option Enter to get it back up. Yeah, let's say I got like 50 things in here. Is it too subtle a change? I think. Well, yeah, it's pretty subtle. Yeah, because ideally I want to show up to like 50. And we're at 39 right now. Let's add 11 more. Yeah. Oh, I did the thing again. Let's see. So, I think we're at... Oh, we need to reload this, I think. Oh, it's not reloading. Uh-oh. Let's do the reloading thing. The force reloading thing. Yeah. Let's do that. And see. So, and then we do this. Let's see. We do a little bit of forced preview loading to get our thing. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty subtle. And then you're down to 50. Like eventually this will get like pretty, well, I think it's only subtle because the bottom isn't super dark. But if it gets dark enough, then I think it'll be less subtle. Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, we have our like, my name Jeff 50 times. Yeah, I think we'll probably update the math a little bit. But I like that idea, Boon. Yeah, I like that idea. I think we'll probably play around with like the hue and kind of our lower bound on this. But yeah, definitely. I think that'll be good. But I think actually I've been going on for a minute now. I've been going on for a little bit. I might do wrap it up a little bit. Let's take a look over. Kinda. Oh, try to add order to hue. Oh, yeah, probably. I think so. Because this is a constant. Yeah. I'll put like a comment here. Add order to hue. Yeah, because hue is a constant. Or I'll put like a to-do so I can see it. Yeah. Yeah, but I think I'll probably... I think I'll wrap it up a little bit for here. But we've got quite a lot of progress going on. Like, we didn't have a leaderboard before the stream started. And we've got all this now. Like, this is good. This is very good. I like it. And we'll just change the color a little bit. And yeah, I think it should be pretty nice. Should be pretty good. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. All right. And then, well, actually, yeah, and I think we need to make it so that when you click the leaderboard button, it shows this. I think that's also pending. Among some of the bugs in the gameplay. But we've done quite a lot. Got a lot of UI done. That's pretty good. Yeah. I think we're pretty good. Cool. Yeah, so I'll probably wrap it up there then. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching. This was part 23 of building a Yippee mobile game leaderboard. I actually think the previous stripe color looks better than the gradient color. Yeah, it could do. We might play around with it. We'll see what colors we get. Yeah, definitely. I think. Yeah, we'll definitely play around with the colors for sure. Yeah. I think we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we did quite a lot that stream. A lot of leaderboard stuff and UI things, and yeah, made some friends too. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is part 23 of building a Yippee mobile game. I don't know, we might raid into somebody. Let's see if we can raid into. There's a streamer I like. His name is Mordecai. He does some game dev too, I think in Unity. He's building like a box game. I was gonna check him out. Let's see if we can check him out. Let's do the rating thing, and we'll raid into Mr. Mordecai. Yeah, let's check him out. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. Pacific time to probably finish up this leaderboard and maybe integrate it with Game Center as well. So that should be good. But yeah, let's check out what Mr. Mordecai is doing. And we will catch you on the flip side then. Take care. I hope you have a nice weekend. Bye.